hohoi ene ne potem keta ene ho ne potem chese na enyagori san se otokoko so tumfo ene ne dom ekopie ho na se ne na no papa one ka se ne Kofi kakari kan no wose ye komene oman no na kwa me kan VIP nko not less than 20 na me free bi se ne so na 40 na say 40 we are going to get information the way yes about 40 na otumfo pie na ono so tin V8 mu na V8 no so me kan as many as about 15 or more na me kan say me hunu ye no na de say sin hwim ni ade no na otumfo de no wo say asante hene no ene bonim a skagwa Kofi so ebonim say emblems o mai si o mai mu ente eno so ekọ so enye no nko gamanche so edina no nyam kota akire ekwafo ekobi na na tafo hene ono ne kwa twafo hene na na opoku minta the third ono so kwa ma hene tu ni mpabo akese eche no ma no na tafo hemia na omutimpa mehom enti na enyagori ahemfo ahodo na unse ne Ghana yin pa baako nsasa no ene ma oman no eye kama ya esanse asantefoni angrafoni kwafoni nkranfoni kwame na efe papa enti MPs ni ade mampani abede akire ko ho na kwame na me be ko so ho anyefe
no kre
Ghana fo nko makoma to myem koma to myem pa na yija ba bia nya de but no chese be ka che ni na yedi ya fashion mpanimfo
ja no kre sem ne se se nipa no bufu a anya asem bia na obeka ombeti se nipa no ombufu a asem bia ni ho a wo kan ombeti before vice president Beka saying so economy no no okra and
also okra mo biem
ono okra
ono na okra mka se bia jeff ni se
se na se ntenenka
na mo tenenka mo ye na mo huru no
ye hu na che aho
ye hu bia che huru no
mu ahodo mienu ye hu wa che na ete won kan che mo se ansa na mo kokra na enkran edikan ho no se demonstration de enkran ho enti uja ho na ukọ ha no no so okay waba ha de a ye betwen wo ha na onzo enu nyina achi no onya akukudro kan se obia nto no boase eja no kwase me wum ni se osuma me nkan ya me ba no me de meti yi kwase efi Madina ebedu ekropon ha menya nkrofo be se mienu ana nkomutu ama me okoma enti na se wanyu obi ama na ntua ebia oloro fe ana se edididi ama ho a se eja anibere ya na beba o what you say nti yewura ko gina ho no mu no na obi a se vice president ni asembe na wabeka che ye bio what you say na baby odi asem no fire so no ze me ba producer mama saka voice na baby odi asem no fire so na eja obeka che se ye nto ye bodi a okwa na ye pese hu nsesa ene sa chae nti mo hu ne sa no ene de oye ne no ba na mum se ne o hye ye nyina ye bo se enche ne ma nyina betito yie no ye hwe aboa bi so o se ye hwe sade nyina betimi atoyie nti wo mu se entwa yie de na mum ne ekono eso mframa na boye no entwa yie nti wo hwa isi ano se da no yewura mampanya nkota kwaje 1 and a vice president so aje 1 isi nti 11 nti omu hwe no minu nyina omu ni the two gentlemen of Ghana omu hwe na Ghana no entoto na niema nyina ntimi toyie third huro yenim ba bi ebefi beba ebia na ebeye onunyanfo bi aba Ghana ebia mfa se eye prince ya nesisu aburuche ebia o ma UK o ma Ghana da na fi obeba na yesi airport na amanfo kan so o de airport ni akohia ho na agi boom ye but na papa yin so enti who ase no bi say what is happening na ho na ebe kira se no enti asiba ako asimienu mpanyifo hwe se ensi ne etoso miensa nti ebe sere mpanyini nipa ne buafu nipa no feel heat no eni nti na sa ne maisisi
ha na se mampani abedi akire ne mampani nyina ministers na dom nyina okrom ha nyina feel heat no I think say
nyewo ye na antwa yi enye mum
but I think say the presidency and for that matter the communicators should quickly look at how to address some of this
things.
Strategically, I think they need to address it.
Again, more iba ko dano ye de to ani mo hanumo ema can say okay yura me say yura dan kokubotwe ene disi ye de to ani mo ha na ye be kan no Emma Crowley, but Abrante Baku Dinko say School of Hygiene, and Nipa Mako 13 Abaku be a fees in the year 3,100. And Friday no Mudoko school into Nrano, not you will come on our School of Hygiene. And
a year consumes another room. Any assembly, no, it's me to and then Yakopo Boa, School of Hygiene, be better than Casafu, be better, a horror, no Mabeboa. When Nanka, a bind person, Jena, Nipan Beba, no back to community home. Now, what be Juma in Tiakoswa and support it. Yane Honorable Kenneth Adwo interview. I will fear her, who could they dear Chinechi, I think Senina, ever told you, Miss Munyanamofa, Honorable Dambo, Metzna Manima, na Yamon Como.
I said, I know interview on you, Miracle, no, Kakra, ever so Abba. Mijidi said, you are a cocoton and Tacoton and media, and Chibiano, I didn't know between your conkai, come on, or Beba Fia, dear, send I any dear, this year, the Abertoni dim, you crack Americans, dear, nice, I didn't know between your conkai, at their mind. Now, I no pay, Madaruma, Miko Tremu, Efa, Krumukakra, and Sana, Emeba, Udu. Mr. Mankwaho, room akọ Presby Junction say pipe no apai ema ensuo no egu fam bobobobo nti ebesere empanyini adaroma water and sewage for no answer Ghana water for enhwe na senia ensuo no apai ewo kuro nim no omhwe na ade nyina entumi enko enka no musisi se na be ya enko ha enko asene mehu se ebu konkrofo fie nti wadaroma yenhwe na emfa de nyina entumi entutu eyiye na anopa ni mi se Habashi has bed.
Anapai Yene Honorable Berima Asiedu Wallaby MC de Equapim North Municipal Assembly. Anapai Nebon Como Ofia in-house. And Rebaniat Nasi na ya boy Hunamu and Como Nanemetimi I kama. Eddie Amana Yanshe Nemo People's Nimuka na Yena Honorable Rana Yamon Como. And Ranso so a year NDC. Send any cano, Yanshe Hon Seminas about the bon crack. And rather Nipa Ujuna because of two abano Mampon now share and Emma Hodua Ichegu Ewaha. Inya Kelvin Kwame and Ponse di Ekojamumai enti delegate no na omesia o mapona minim ba bia omiye no honi din de sei
baby na pictures no na obi kire honom
fast service
obi kire enkane obi kire honom
hoda na old obi kire ansa na onomo kwa ha na metwamu nti gina kakra ehwe ne mekoso na chairman comrade Kofi Afro na oginamu tin chama opike former chairman opike enso eginamu honorable are no minim no mahu no
president no previous of penny peace
okay ntina emse no na hwaso pa na nkrofo ginam pa na nim se NDC wodom on potamas how
ya party no obia e wodom obia hanom de e wodom papa na say dia e ko so wo kresei na me fra brante ba kwa ma na wonnadi nko na nka no so wahwe omodom papa isan say unse Ghana no two political parties MPP and this obia or numbers obia ya enti no say ade na edane enye den ade na edane enye na this time round no se ne niema ye ntineja obia mo ne ho yi but I think say NDC for aya de papa ohwe niema wo mo ye wo mampon eda no yemiminde ya na je se enye bete
and request cry
and request ya
hwe you know chairman for no when ye bawa aminu Kwapem North communication officer elect and odisa year information aba out Kwapem North constituency 2022 NDC delegate congress chairman nipa me nejina Daniel Are and Daniel Ofei te Daniel to Daniel we are see no na aba etodwa no Daniel Are enya 644 and Daniel Ofei enya 410 now was watching mu pa watching mu over 200 yes ne ko na vice chairman for no Kwaku Japan and Rabia to Yakubu Ajako we are saying na Kwaku Japan e the Rabia to Asho enti onunya 593 and Rabia to ensunya 460 secretary no Bacha Isaac and Philip Ofofo Kwesi Adomako minim so fosu no chono no Ofofo no dia Adomako we are saying na Bacha Isaac enya 635 ama Adomako enya 414 deputy secretary no Gomasi George ejinaye Sewedo Enoch ena Samuel Kofi Poku ewi ase no na Gomeshi ekura 277 Enoch Sawedo ejina 380 na Samuel Kofi Poku enya 392 yes ono na nei amafo no atwama no organizer no so nipa abiesa NS Adom Diko ena woba Kwame Ani Kwame Ani on ayijama assembly member yo mampo Kwame Ani
ebe no
ena Jebrain Anagli Muhammad NS Adom Diko ena etoma no tinwado nya 528 ena Wobek Kwame Ani enya 236 Jebrain Anagli Muhammad enya 289 deputy organizer so Edward Mfumminta ena Matthew Antwi ene ginaye na wiase na Matthew Antwi ena womo atoama no nya 526 ena Edward Mfumnya 518 enti ahia oche no aba makoma akongotwe close pa youth organizer Ahmed Agbanyazi ena Ebenezer Owusu Agbanyazi enya 94 echeso no matwa na Ebenezer Owusu enya 37 deputy youth organizer George Odro Jr. enya 106 ena Richard Mensah enya 23 ti wiase no na George Odro Jr. ena nei omafo edi jumadi deputy organizer no ahye nsa third youth no so eno no Hayford Baniba enya 91 Desmond Mensah enya miensa eye abiesa ena Wendy Alote enya 31 ti wiase na third youth no eno no ye dia ma Hayford Baniba ena women organizer no so no ohwemu a eye close say 10 difference Augustina Note ejina onya 58 Jane Ochrewa Ado enya 68 ena Susanna Evelyn Youngson enya 4 nti wiase no na Jane Ochrewa Ado ena amanfo de 2 million ahye nsa say women organizer deputy women organizer Praise Ababiu ena Paulina Dako a Hansatu Ajako wiase no na Hansatu onya 72 of the 2 million ahye nsa ena Paulina Dako nya 47 Hansatu Ajako enya 12 treasure obebo sika ho ban na wahwe sika so no nipa abiesa ne ginae eno so ode ne ho bana hene ena onya 444 Umaru Brahma Peregrino onu nya 3338 ena numbers na yes ena Bright John Amfonsa so enya 265 entene obehu se ode ne ho bana hene ena manfo eto aba no ede ma no a onya 444 enti ono any treasure na as a treasurer ano chone treasure Arabic actually the treasurer na obedi dwuma na wahwe constituency no esika so jama NDC for deputy treasurer Ekoma Kingsford Kalefe ena Samuel Chewu ewiase na Kingsford Kalefe enya 762 Samuel Chewu enya 283 there's a deputy treasurer no Ekoma Kingsford Kalefe communication omebetonkra ede ama amanyoku no Walker Afeti ejina onya 151 Jacob Ganyo enya 460 ena Barnabas Ajakonya 438 ene wiase no Jacob Ganyo ene ne womde jumadi etisa ahye nsa se eye communications ekwame there be hine na mi ene deputy the communication no bawa Aminu Sumaila ene Bright Nyawuji ene jinaye na ohwe omde na Bawa Aminu Sumaila enya 595 ena Bright Nyawuji nya 456 rejected vote eye 5 ne oma anya ntumu na eseye ena deputy na ne kan wasa Walker Afeti 151 Jacob Ganyo 460 Barnabas Ajako 438 ono no ene deputy no ekoma Jacob Ganyo Zongo Kokos eno no eye Baba Jara Fuseini ena Abubakar Orlando wiase no na Abubakar Orlando eda form 511 ama Baba Yara Fuseini ede afa no ho 533 enti no hwe makwa me 22 o de ekini executive members ne so no nipa enya enini kwame Stephen Obin ejinae ena Samuel Kwawu Vidan Kama Emmanuel Okon Adamu Tahiru Ebenezer Odum ena Godwin Agodeto Cornelius Agbemava Frederick Mfum Mantia Joy Jonas Nyampon Prince Shadrach ena Prince Ba Buadu sampanifo ejinae wohene so omu yimu jabra enwotwe kwame ye sene esiko efae Vidan Kama ena oye first executive member onya first ena second no eko edema Ebenezer Odum onunya 130 ena Vidan nya 163 third position no also eko edema Oben Shadrack onya 110 fourth position eko ma Stephen Oben onunya 91 ena fifth position koma Monolokun onunya 86 ena sixth position Adamu Tahiru na 75 seventh no also eko edema 117 away. I'm a 7 no me. 5 6 where's the 7 where's the 7 I'm 7 but who 8 no
yeah
8 no Prince 8 Prince Babuodu
okay
and there was the last one Prince Babuodu
okay
and then who sem 9 no
Cornelius no.
Ana sani ante come just one anya.
Oh.
Tie kosi 8.
Ayi ni ateke ne onya e.
99 no. Eye Cornelius Agbameva ena 10th eye Godwin ago zeto. Ena 11th krawe. 11th tie Samuel Kwawu. Ena 12th no eye Frederick Mfum. 13th eye Jonas Nyampon. Ti sampani na ene omo anya position nti nipa awotwe de onomo ensa aka. Anapai ye ne chemare ye bomo de asensa beka no. Na edin komo edi afa dwumadi amanfo edi ahye nsa se say obey ni say ni plans ni say ni oni osunu kokuru amanyo ko ntitiriu na edi besi ani tine oni MPP chairman omane mensa bosu ene na pamfo ono so dom ne ombe drebo omo ni ahwe ni susuan edi brodiba ebeko
em say oyu no to nkra na me say don zi achi nkra no
ye hwesi o kasa fa no
members, national executives present, regional executives present, Chairman OPK, the elections committee, all protocols duly observed. It is an honor for me today and my team to be elected to serve for 4 years in Akuapem North Constituency. When we came around campaigning, we gave you a message, and the message was the 3 pillars. I want you to remember that we are going to build a succession plan for the constituency. 2, we are going to train, educate our party youth on the party's foundation, history, and constitution. And 3, when we come into power, we're going to build 2 entrepreneurs in all the 10 zones within our constituency, which will make sure that if we come to power, and we will not stay in power forever and go back to opposition, these financial pillars will support in the reorganization of our party in the constituency. I and my team still stand by that pledge. We will honor the pledge, and by our 4 years, we will account to you what we told you today, so that if we need or we deserve your mandate, you give it to us, or whether renewing or telling us to go for a new set of things to come. Members of Akuapem North Constituency, I want to sound a word of caution that we are going to lead this constituency in a peaceful manner, in a united form, and bring everybody on board for us to meet the target we told you. That this 2024 elections, our target is to hit the 20,000 mark in votes, and we still stand by it. We thank you all for your time. We thank you all for your support, and we thank you for your financial support in these hard times. May God bless you.
Kame chamare na ordinary no sem etudwana one the delegate send signal. Chamara on Tijuana.
Eno na medwum sisi ya se ebia no Okoman for ha ntibe cheche ma kire atifo no nyina.
Dena ate.
O se ombeye entrepreneur. Se ombe boa maburu na no boa ma mu enwuma kakra mo maye. Na fi ombeye se ombe tumi anya aba dodo se
chama opposition ne kan din o ne kan mre ba o ane ye de akwa bia no ayi obo ban yachi ewi ase na mpe kakra ma no ne man position ne man V8 ba ko enti okọ ne potem oga ye nti wo ka bia o says us here edidi ayen kasa the chairman what can the but don't mean catch you na
eno so ya semba ko because omo mo ko she ho nyina no general unim ade ba kwa me ho politics and party ho say grassroots for no bebre yankrofo a hwi na omo ka
enti we nipa na
sia ho no na wotutu brofo
na brofo ko obi wo bia won ti brofo ya se okọ be ka say chairman ka say yes producers so to ahama sensa be kana na ne katwi na omo entini ye the chairman already the kan e ma tri kwa say wakonkode na watimagina brand adi position tisa enim say mfie na edi animi obatototo niema ama party no ayakra behwe na ayakono enti ye hwese na ebesi akọ miji celebrate politics ye e wo say ayonkofa wom enti ba na miji say bia MPP amanyoko na to mo nkrako komo mutrin kwa say ye mama kwaba na ye be brom papa ana say na mo be adwuma papa no so ato nkrako e no so ye kwame brand people phones you omo de no anye bia omo de nkrako ya na say mo yi nkrofo mo twe be nkrofo e be bo mo ma na I think there should be that cordiality ye be hwe say bibisa akoso a e producers abopini MPP mpani no mo message bia omo so e dia tuba
na ja Okoman de ye bro Okoman bra ye bra ni nyina ne se woka benkum a yesi waka nifa waka benkum yesi Okoman fo ne chairman yure interview bra wonya chairman no kra nti yeso ye ka ho kra na chairman nya na easy yesi ye ka na chairman nya na easy kra kwame si Okoman ye kwa kan we ya yesi se kan we ya yesi se nti ana meka se ne na obi amra na nkome kasa bi ye frewa ye bue line to a waka wadwene na wo shame na o kasa asem chema me o kasa chem kra bi a minimo ahụ ndị Okoman efa esi afa ampa ni chairman ayure e kasa e ba se tabe no me chairman enti no ko agitum say na onye chairman by then no but ono look smart to take advantage
original crime ni no
yeah ono look smart to take advantage
me crime me draw na chairman for ni pene na meet me twam na say me sidi ni die ma wom na I think say Alhaji Smiler and so this Penipa region ni ma no ho be supervise say elections ni bi tebere say sabe Alhaji Smiler na ya say na mesi ko chairman region hanna ojina sem ni ojina kra menino enti so bi ka say bia wakasa wa akwanya no nyaa say ne ekoso no ewo monkwe election ko Lower Hill eno nyaa akwanya church mu no ka ne mo peso ye enti I think say the radio stations open any day anytime na yedi enkomo edi kwame me no ka say mampani eni mpani ewo Egypt eni say wono mo kɔ eye dwumadie kɛseɛ bi dwumadie no amama bebre eni ne wono mo kɔhia na Ghana delegation no me no ka say eye ne Ghana mampani eni die nim den na wono makopie friti next 7th edi kosi no na enei womo kohwe na onoma aye dwumadie no ama ne matimi akọ kama na kwa me say dwumadie ben obeka se na dwumadie ben na papa yi President Akufo-Addo lists Ghana's climate negotiators at to COP27 enti eno na oka ho asem ena no pai enti nanu ada na mampani tene na echi a wakopie mu Egypt kure frɛ no Shama El Sheikh hona de dwumadie ne koso na obi say dwumadie be na omokoye climate negotiations e kwahwese ne be ya ewie mu hie ne ewie mu ne ma besi akɔ afa no ene nei omokoye na omadi hu nkomo na enema hodo a ebehia na bibiman ye so yetimi ahwema ye wiem kwamne ma bi wo mo a omo ye na brochire ho sunsanso no eba na make us radioactivity to say battery say ye nyeni hanti kane no nke ye be ready wo krom ha ye ya mono soko na ye use ani abrofu timi ma digu hwa
na che na afa
aya ebe se na ka be afiam na se no na epia no aba Africa no ma ye ntie ba na ye use no ewu a na ye atoto agu fo ma na ade ni nyina ni a emwae enti nyina na ye kohwe na no maka sa na ema ni nyina no de na mo be de ama Africa na anisi ama ha dampen side ni akoje ni ema nkrofo yare nkrofo di dem ansana echi akoje ho compensation ya de a obi timi ade cross ko try Africa mo pa me school dan be du ama nam de abo abe try is be abe try kwame
di se na ja wadi kan aka no yen sere mpanyini se omukọ ebeyi omo ne mpanyini si nkunwa na omo tutu ne maye Africa nye dampen site emfama eye abrofo mi gidi se ne mo fa wo ha ne de ko yo mukru yi no at least omo ye kwa no mbre ye mu fa anka bibi man ka etumpon na de bia me ka se mi se otumfo tumu a oro ka ofo abati omo hu se omo betumi yen nti mpanyini nso eni abo mo so yom kwakwo hia ewo eye mizirimu yi mi gidi se omo mpie mra no na popapa bi afimu tumi aba aja wo hwe ka se da no na me ka me ni obi ka wo ka mu se petrol ya ene ya akoso da manfo su nyina cars go any engines go manfo de via buruje de abre oso mikuraka we na car engine go ya twia be se 20 years wa America na de aba oso makoto car dudi petrol ni gu ma rara usane ya na asa no de akugu aba nti ni magu no mo de bre no eno ka wona eho eche ye nti mpanyini ene Okoman Kasa na yi ento yi na mfa ne papa ni bi emre ha yenso nya tie rubber ni bi a eye
Menoka say Penny Kona, Ghana delegation Kona, a buy any enyumaku ahodo NGOs near there Ebomakono, Nipa 322 in the free Ghana Eco saying Egyptian crew. I had 2 days say Shama El Sheikh, and I said drive via Egypt for so quiet new cities so more building from scratch near there. Shama El Sheikh hono so enye bete nti omo kusia no ma hwe kwan be fa so a Paris and Glasgow agreement ahodo bi omo ye na omo de be ye adwuma na nyina mu no ye kowe kakra ye benya na de aba abe ye niema na niema ti akokama nti ebo mpa ye se be koyie amen
o mi ji se mpanyifo ato ahia de niema nyina ebetumi akoyie
anapai
akoyie
ye papa barima asedu ewa sapon dodoa na friend Meshak Honorable MC Edema, Kwapim North Constituency, Kwapim North Municipal Assembly, I should say, Papa, why assembly member, ewo latte, enti assembly, enyumane, enyemadia, untimeno, or ye nimdifo, checheni, or lecturer, or ye bibia, and a paper bon como, or an uncommon edema, mamma wanya dia, or bear your bumisa. All right, we have my child of a
Jaminia.
Now, Pomo today.
Crystal Daroma, and I'm also
Yanko Panda Roma, Odi Debia, look fresh. No bet a secret. No, what was the secret?
No one Jesus Christ. And I will not dock a hot a day. Makuka crab, keep.
That's all right.
That's my favorite.
Honorable, who should I invite you? That's not fine. It's you honest man one only. Yeah, by I finish a crack with me.
Now is a question you are born your Matiao.
Question you call eh?
You want to know.
Oh, Kwesi, or confirming
Unfound.
But manager came in.
I don't know.
And a pair of 2 carbon, I'm so uncle baby a friend. Uncle baby a friend. They got no baby breakfast answer where do we anyway, a human heading. But Penise Unum 20 do Champion, young so Bojuma, and run a Joe the swimming who security reasons the yet be whom by was not the swimmer now can see in Penophobia no mutu and a more. I just said, Regina, na Usha baby at Nina a year municipality no. Ehun komodie wadwumaso security nsem ahensem just say enafem na no other crowd school bia mkohunu ye no apetition wo school nim nam apem no for her.
Oh, but a wrong impression. But as common now was starting it, I mean take your opportunity now. Mention Okoman staff na me fan cha okwapen hine eyosia de okwesi for toso miensa okwapen hima na efua ketia any mpenifo ahwe kwapman so nyina
okay
ebinka a regional minister any member of parliament na Amadoko Esiamaje
Heneba
and yo any mpenifo a constituency executives nyina they all can no credit school now can no tinkon SDA but I went there myself minya report from security persons no enti minya no mekoe and am kohwe no kre wom ni say enya petition na mo man bi enwa the omodi yembre no mushroom we no ha enti eno no no enti no when you look at the picture I won't say appetition for there no eya ye wo ba bienu e wo so
ayi kopa pipe bia e form the preparation form no
na ye wo ba kon so a e wo down eno so connect enti won't say we no sanyo man e bi ni ho I went there myself many since Ghana Education Service all my changes kakra
okay
first new we be on friend of CS and we are security supervisor.
Yeah.
Since you're my friend of CISO, and we are school improvement support officer.
Okay.
CISO. And
honorable over to us, but my main amount for adjoining course. Over to me on Facebook. Okoman radio your page no sɛ wonya like ya no like wobon say photos no phone no na etwagu ho no classrooms no yɛnsi nwie deɛ menim sɛ wona bɛka ho asɛm ba bia yɛduru tinkɔn deɛ kura menim sɛ sɛnea ɛkɔ no ɛnkyɛ ɛne kɔfro dua kra bɛtumi abom.
Yeah, as I speak with you bɛba school no so ba as I speak with you no kra no wohwɛ Akurapem North your main market adɔso sisi ana yɛpɛ sɛ build 2 markets strong ones ɛde ka ho but no tinkɔn well ɛno tinkɔn ɛne manfe nti tinkɔn yɛ kuro bi a ɛne adɔso compete in terms of development ɛne sanioma no no nti no tinkɔn yɛni wɔ ho pa so picture na o kan ho asɛm no picture bi a me amekɔ hɔ when I had a report from the BNI I went there myself nti me kɔ na me kɔ hu na me kyerɛ obibi sɛ you siso no school improvement support officer. First name from second supervisor and as you see first name will be our friend monitoring and evaluation officer since you are in school inspector and me school inspector no your friend Mr. Nicholas Kokudako meneno any one Mr. Ebuamanti since you are Kobia a brew your koye omo ye in charge of schools inspection that day into your koko share empire ko share no yehunu sɛ enya petition na mo eyemire omo ye mushroom no
na honorable yemisa sɛ school MCNC nwie nkwada ne kom
dem nkwala nim
enti school a yesi a yenwie ye na ono abo no ho adwa di dwumete saa ho
yeah the thing is school by history no me say with Dr. Quest when I started here
can
former MC DC Dr. Mrs. Junior Quest or started
and then say be say abosume kakra ni aye ye na ye kura
yeah e man fe say ye no kura me na ko jina regional minister na MP na mu nti the buy ni say me ko check here na me hu say said in our picture and call say a petition or any petition now the thing is at a point contractor need free site a timer of my peniku for ban the first term no 2001 muho baby and almost years our school no into almost to me and into almost to me and no the SDA community no yes and come the private school no more friend Maranatha BBB international school or something into and also almost say one classroom and on the years our private school no but to me engineer into see I know kwa school no eda okwa me dey come budget no kwa my say
so structure now it looks very strong
very strong
in terms mo keka kakra betimi aye school community nim
now ni manager they are ho no say baby amofra no ko school se sia no kwa no cocoa board for cocoa board structure as they say a cocoa board for mo consulting they are taking their property
and
I'm forced to complete this project
you be
budget for moment the tracer but we will complete and come and report
that's fine Judi na no adam say din komo wa ha nim some voice na ye din komo wa ha komo ayedi ye no wo de ose eyoyo ya kasa nwie kra na tisi mu say ufiape oko New Orange Clinic ene ye fa ho a ne ani age ye hunu say one MP ene mpani keka ne masiani ama me no kasa ne me koso kama okokohwe a ohun say aye kama enti ye hwe sa ayi we na yemra
Orange Clinic and also the American found say me buy no mo we na say kra omo shuttle a say kra na totally condemned nti ye didi nkoma na ebe hu Dr. Niapa ma ono so be ye donation
La Constance
also be ye donation I was there so I did that handing over of the van to the clinic and what you know okoha obo say renovation be cost for clinic is under one constituency $1 million project the contractor who is in charge your friend Manasseh Menena Kasa now we realize this due to budgetary constraints he hasn't been able to complete that project. Now I say and it was yesterday I decided to go there but unfortunately I couldn't go yesterday and me sure Mekoho many MP Akasa Mama catch and say the system over there is so bad to the extent say there was ceiling leakages near 1 or 2 until your pay fans kakra you say you to me a year 1 or 2 renovations now you share my project and then yes ka obiano ye yi ema you to me a complete project and what you know me buy and so ya bechiche health related materials to most of them. What we do is that say yensa can be na pese cha ye de call DHMT Dr. Ansong because one is director of health into ye de call no so age na ja wa hwe no acha mo ya check computers e dey ma all the various your friends health facilities and ya teacher PPEs ni bebre and so e dey ma om enu achi ye nyomo e won sa wo so a every time bia say bibi hia na say doctor nema ya so ti a yetumi edi muduma. One thing I realized na omo lake a health committee, which is a statutory committee that has to be set up by every municipality or district. Na me ya do and then answer. No, any Tuesday, and Monday, and I may inaugurate here. They been see that the whole municipality for all these years now only a year municipal health committee. So just yesterday I inaugurated the municipal health committee. Me as the municipal chief executive, I'm the chairman for that committee by statute, and then the district health director is the secretary. And actually our Muslim community rep, our board committee, so our Christian community rep, and our assembly rep. Apart from the assembly rep, so our traditional leaders rep also. Intina is a committee our private practitioners health rep also. And until all these people have been brought on board, say you better say you better to health to me tumpon.
What is the main challenge with that particular project? Funding why?
Oh, the funding is coming from one constituency, $1 million. I think there has been a halt in disbursement of that fund. Until NCBA say the contractor will come on site. You need to think of where you relocate your people. Either you want to work whilst the people are inside. Say like they can't take a Inti Nina is Nkoma a year underground. Say we met na ha yen cancer no ma way or air. Inti there me person yin na ye G2 me say and then you ya people will see renovation going on. Your friends said Orange Clinic a year dachi. Now the American is and yes say be attendance no service. Omo no mo nyo badwuma ye ana say bia people would want to go to do chroma and say yen hwe say indeed yare the rate of ailment e we kropon no e sen you see e bia na nipa enhye dan yare bebre ti say there ya azumi no
that you don't know mother and child hospital you're doing.
Yeah, I'm told next month they will come on site from this morning's check maybe na me yes I checking okay full assurance from next month there will be something, but it will kick start with Agenda 111. Previously, they wanted to do it before Agenda 111, but for now, it has been pushed into that. Into it will kick start with it until next month. Projects but the best one is a advanced team to start before that.
But I don't get it. That hospital way was the hospital on the project on its own.
It was.
And so Omakacha under 111.
Yes.
So many say
okay, starting Tamanka.
Okay, Sanya 111 account.
Yes.
I mean 2.
Yes. And I
don't know,
but
not have been 2 hospitals in the same town.
No, not necessarily in the same time. Within the municipality.
Within, but we say Bakonsu we Mampong.
Yeah. Okay.
If anything, no na ebia omudaye total renovation.
Sa komo yen komo a yene honorable Berima Sedu Ewalabi do na bodemra ne meshak anything by time say don there because any na hotedi anase dey. Honorable meshak ne edin there way.
Meshak ne
o Christian name.
The mechanism me mo na dey to me. But me nyi ye na me hu say no. Oya no bia bi say wa prof din this wa prof din. Me zumi nya broni. Di wa prof din this as still me a link to abrofo ba me. Ntina me pe bibi din. And I'm confirming na din Berima Sedu Labi.
And why say me o? Otafrija.
Otafrija and the confirm the man.
Me so me ma me ye korado ye hospital na ya body Eric Ansel na emi anti bi na ma me kwezi twetwe wo say Elic nams there be emi to che me na be friend ba afo ado Menana Bema Baffuor do
Baffuor,
and
come on.
Kofi Ansong Baffuor. Me man ranting in Obi on man of Niba. Bruni ba kromo no for edia e ahoti odi agori. Okwe ni paper so. As a friend question John Oboa, ni din ni Charles I think it's a very good
you see, but one thing social manager mechanic say as Ghanaians and as Africans, no, we should be very, very
proud of our identity.
Yes, I say who say
Yo.
If you say Christian name, I agree. I mean Christian name, fine because I'm a Christian. But the truth is, what brought food in this? Bruni. So I don't.
Bruni by they wanted to conscientize us. Say if you baby ni ebe Kristo sumu to hwe ya omu na nkwa ko we friend Salem na ote krom na oni hu bia na say why outcast ha nti ni nyina ma Bruni be penetrate here and it's centuries ago. It's about time we take charge of our own lives and our responsibility. Oba now can say unya dokru bi dia obi ba fus bi anopay me nya me krosia ne me omelette bi krosia echi ne friend chibomi Bruni be won your friend omelette enti we come omelette ko be confuse you but I think as we said Honorable, on the 5th of April 2022, you share with you Eddie Komo Yemfa interview nishes, but answer nano nano ada NDC4 and request ko to aba Emma about 20 mono my executives and the omdi be share other parties true MPP executives omayi na almost so abeye puma consequence ni no what
yeah, mate, yeah. The crowd woman say I guess some more no long ago, but I'm say one or two issues to me and Marshall. Member penny for winning na tinkwa. Yeah, chairman I read Eden and Crawford. Me mom na tinkwa. The attorney said they are close to power. NDC found they are close to power and they are smelling power. They know na na I said the Wako restaurant. Na yenya serve no be didi na what in chain. So they feel close to power. And but we'll give them a clue. Say, the power. I'm telling you. The attorney say, oh yes, sir. Ghana no. Who's Mahama, my president, former president Mahama, my say Ghana for short memory. Tina Jenny said, "Your 4 years and sana, be take over in Ghana for refi." And so he's coming back. No problem. And no chikra Dr. Dufonso so. Anyway, so I bet was on also pesoba. Any problem? Chairman, I really need any problem. But the thing is, yen as an MPP, and we also want Ghanaians to know say problems are FM winner say ye bibia acquired to say ye person mine Ghana for no but an international problem. And so within the next 2 years we are very confident say things will change. And your best is I say a more wide thing. First more a ton of 300 is around 600 now. Cement is around 92 near that day now. But we are very, very hopeful. Say you be to me stabilize the economy now. You good. Say you save lives. I change say anka ye this kabisi nanka nipa bewu. But say see na ye to me abomodin save life na we will bring the economy back. And it ama NDC for nyina e feel say o to me no aben omo pe. And I said
another year say odifo bi no. Say we know how to save the economy or turn the economy around, but we don't know how to save
we know how to bring the economy back. But we don't have the power to bring lost souls back. Nipa we wunu ye to me nya.
Te hono ye dru ne no o hye kom no to ho hono na ye dru say ya gi nipa nkwa wi a afi economy ne ye ha we be ya ye de economy so ebe gina ho enti ye ko hama so na ye ne chairman o mane mensa bonsu eye MPP.
Oh me am chairman.
MPP chairman.
Oni so sanso ye mi krom ni o.
Latte.
Oh, free latte.
Kubasi.
Me ni nyina the same school PSTS.
Wow.
Chairman.
Wow. Ha. Ana pa chairman ya mo achi.
Kofi Ansong Baffuor. Kofi Martin. Yen Minia MC Honorable Berima Nka or SCD. Or Okoman Kasa is going back from Latte. And actually kindly school back or PSTS or like then on a Uji Mumayang or saying Christiato Mayang and make here a young MC able MCA. I mean fucking MC the captain no and then in a OCP news or NDC new Minchi will be a Michia Busiapo in the ma will be a blessed speech So the video will be very wiki now watching be a uncle Himano.
That's it. Yeah, that's to say what me achia obi obeka me chame party ma. Yes, also me party ma MPP4 ene obi bio constituency ni mu NDC CPP we nyina kwapemfo yeah that's it. Chairman enrada na NDC4 abro yi puma kwan mu na wono mokoto omaba ewo mampon na omayi chairman are so me di omanim na toto niema na onfa mehia won so ne wodom na 2024 no in fact boot for boot na tackle mo fa sie ni na enya ntie se wo pese obeto nkra na wa mo metrin kwa sanse na ye nya dru ba bia politics de enye watimi wa bom wa kame eye agoro ni form enti o ma ba o nse bia pese o ka kire NDC empani ye yi o mo ye wo ni umpani enti wadaroma akwanya wo ho edema o
Kofi me da so am sa kwanya andra anopa me free like arbitrary macro Kofi di anopa no ni hu Kakubiso mutna station on like and I'm now we saw some more come to more for a so nice. Then I do my 89. Men see more because also we a bomb for more and I see more like that and I'm talk also. I want to make aware that run on it for Bano. Now, meeting now, Chairman Daniel Are we here and say, the first time here, or when I start to the NDC senator, and then the yes, I'm on your term to be. Maybe I think every man drink one. Mamma Napa, so I found the now. So many in the cafe day, your passenger, then say, the Akosua, baby, election, women at the Capo and take it. We get it so about to give me names more way. Then my captain passenger or Hormono, Ubuni or my honor, Bexna, na Yamano Seminole Apple. Yenya Busabako, Adrinia Yen, enthusiast, yes, Crow, Busabako. NDC NPP, I a captain for about an NPP NDC. Apart from that, yes, pass yet to me, I to me and Yama, that was what my NPP. By Yama and Yama from Umbra, na yen share consent in the song, then constitute. It's the standard massive yen, that didn't say, Abba. And the Mr. Nani MC Eric about economy. I think MC will be in a better place to be Nakofi. So, Osha, the beer and me, the whole world, Yama, and Ghana. And Ghana said, and the message is to say, even in these challenges here in American, so in that whole life, Bidia became near Bompire class, or Montolife in my name, I'm sorry, but even in this difficulty, it's like a constructive, even in this difficulty, school for school for free. Even in this difficulty, so I say that free feeding. And people say, challenges number. I say, maybe I hate eating. And people, many casabe, many NC, no, this me. I said to Mupa, now the other job better than your, I think for better will be at the party. And you know, Kofi, that's the sort of phenomenon, maybe for really a good sample at the son of the
Chairman, I don't pay your dance in it, Obre, no, Adaji, and said him, so you'll be a Obre share a tight bar. And Ejo, and him so meetings like I say, but you know, what your brainy Akasa, and him said, Brace Simono. Once so wabe so ko mu se chairman no emsenka ebefe said that may be amuye event and come ye bayi abribi elections ke some de enkranta na se bitesi bremo na mu nipa ko akọ represent mo na aye kama da ma bia won so ya na won so afro mo na waba ani ho a meji sese ne wode odo ene ahobrase kwan so etonsa etosa enkra mo mi sa na da ma bia mo behwe na wo hwe na mo ye MPP program na NDC4 representation ho NDC na MPP for representation ho na aye kama bi ba na say ye peace worker ye nyina na aboma ye say ye peace work and peace programs na nti ye da se ne sa maturity a wo show anopai
Kofi medate me you sure say almost that the priority no man pan pray na and me say ana kom kwa to aba
hills yeah aye
number science yes the na ye kone ni abasa ye kone na abasa and eventually ye continue by film many days and something on my back here if you somebody no I up and down and buy from to and you know it is them in the best nothing yeah I'm not the mono there is the best way in no matter support here no and as I say I didn't say when I am yadrin co but we can put it one you know Kofi Masi next time piano you boom na am captain from the United
Chabana mane mesabo so na pay e be da se waje brani adi komo
Mr. Medase pa
Chairman omane mesa bonsu ono ene chairman anase gwamtrani e de ma MPP amanyoku no ewo akwapem north constituency oko electoral commission say Kropon constituency ai ode sa kwanyai achia NDC fo a na omayi wo mo enranko a chairman re ne dom ai ne omo so ebehwe atoto NDC amanyoku no ahyehyɛ ne ade ede agu kwam honorable send ye kan no said dama bia no omo to nsa fra MPP na MPP so to nsa fra omo na bibia ya sum bia ye pe no na bibia ko so kama chamare unim no
oh me new chamare pa me na kwa assembly say 206
okay
206 to 2010
so you bia unim no
oh me nim no me no yeah cry those times yet kubi normal friend say the big 8
okay
our assembly or
nipa assembly members our 8
yeah and 7 years so before I be assembly no na yesua we no pa local government act those times na issue act 462
okay
na ye presiding member no friend Kalala
okay
nti na yeshia na ye meetings ye bobom ready mo nti ye
na me so at
462 but so we issue act 936 the current act in 936
okay
but previously na act 462
okay
nti eno na ye issue a yen so ye hwehwe anti chama read them na nanti ache meaning say or senior presbyter or peace presby or dachi
okay
nti or you be a sebe minimum ye there was a time we cry some boys be aluta bi tia me ono na obetwitwa jim nti me na nanti ache oh yeah me discipline boys be go class now that then when I was the headmaster then nti na boys nso mbadwo me tie ne one or two I ran na me managing kwa ba seriously speaking yes said me chairman di kan no me nye too sure say bo apayo say bia omo be ka say omo invite bia ne omo nyina OPK say wo be call ne ho na me former chairman chairman Frank one no awia no panwure one no na e bibia me say casino chairman of every time bia we ba no me ho fie most of them now for almost so yes
ideological difference no na
even ideologically new crampo no I don't believe in that because NDC is a strong socialist way your friends a party they believe in say be state owning properties social interventions now there and then when you look at MPP yes we a pure capitalist party. We believe in private sector participation. You believe in property owning democracy. But social interventions are NPP for I say you cry social democrats. NDC for because BBT is a free SHSC. Say a socialist project program. Offer BBT is a health insurance. A socialist program. Metro Mass or Peniku for the by a socialist program. Osha BBT is a free maternal care. Free healthcare.
So MPP is becoming a hybrid.
More or less, we are. And I say we are becoming.
Aside that, we say Zoom Lion was created around President Kufuor's time.
You see,
that's to create continental champions.
Yes.
Property owning democracy. People should make sure President Kufuor interview because look when you go to Kumasi, abosana ho no nyina ye ankran kuafo ne ade ade. You think people should own properties and progress, and once they progress, the country can also tax them and still make some good money and all those social interventions. Let's come back to our window. And we on health. And you who say dachi near and punto be a koswa and clinic no. For supposed to was Suni. You didn't come on somewhere on the 5th of April. MIA say under one district.
One constituency,
1 million initiative.
No, I'm friend of Middle Belt.
Middle Belt, okay, that's fine.
The same thing.
Okay, and you doing.
But as I speak with you, say nano me buy me say a Middle Belt project, which is one constituency $1 million. But it's here, a empty, and I renovate East Orange Clinic. A crop on there.
Okay.
The personal money.
Common fund,
no MP common fund. Oba be doing 40 years, Project and no person here the change yakopon in Munyam. Clinic, Say Oba renovate. So she renovated the clinic with her own
at
money.
Her own cost.
Yeah, at her own cost.
Wow.
Yes, Obia sikenim. Aban bia sikenim. The personal project. So
Nana
wanted to
ama dokua asiama ye ohiniba honorable. Ena oyese nyakopon abona na di mfrisia aduanan na pempo so de na bedru no ene fe ene nigenti oye wei de ama omanfo se wono enkom enye sa
exactly
honorable niama no mu say no enye se wo kan ya ye nhunu na hwana
kwasi ageni okan Christ asori dem ho say what did the contractor tell you? Oh no, it's from MP's pocket. Yeah. Move it to our investigation.
We are not against it, but we just want to know some of these things and also commend her. You see, you are working with people, and when informations are kept in closet, they will not know.
They will not know.
And when I talk, when I Kasama MP, because you try several to get to the MP to get there to sit like this. You see, it's interesting to know. Say one day, Bernard Honorable Dambo Chitiha, you need come and say. Nana Madoku any host of this particular station.
Sure.
Or one in Peswaso. And to one case of the Katiano, na wakasa na wacheche. Some of these things we get to know. But people should know that they gave you a certain mandate and you are working for them. Even to the extent of putting your own personal resources. It's very laudable.
Oh yes, you see, they all kind of know say politics there, a game of numbers. And a Bible no crack can say faith comes by hearing. And hearing the word of God. Nipa, o can be chenwa, know who you are.
Yeah.
And then what you can do. It is true. MP has a problem with say why you are there now why you are there now. Oh, can be they will know by themselves. They will know by them.
No.
But I don't know yet politics. Well, I mean gradually she will get out of it. The truth is that no person say o tuni hu bebre and I say maybe I say why are there not the boost to so this thing she said it Christ I saw them I was with her that no dini birthday no
we call Pentecost we commented this no ni ho obi so ameka media amfa and I think the assignment abema but modiane arrange na ye no ma meaning come
enti said na wo kan I think say yen ya ben no na say the spokespersons no should be able to do
talk
much of the
communication
the communication team no your guy back Sian KSD and a PNT Awobuatma. I'm the main.
Please, we should get to them.
Yeah,
so we talk about this. No, one day here because one politics here. Sebi enye juma ye. Ekasi bia me feria na.
I'm Okoman Kasa. Mobile money ndi ni ye.
Oh, if I.
Honorable, your posture was very, very antagonistic.
Honorable, on a more serious note, we take a strong exception of this.
I'm sorry, I've retracted it.
Normally say, Mama can't crave Joe.
You
see, radio Nikruma.
Exactly.
Ibi Mahada. Nipanos who are why a quapping for me, Cassibia Trone, teach a cropon and trader so. On per radio free because, or no, Swano Pa, other cities from other towns come here. From Accra, I don't know on the authority, baby. Even bring no Kumano, and a passing of also Casacro better on the Cansiana, and the system is like that. You'll be tagged. Until now, FM Aba, once a Kania, 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 Exactly. One will say nso bi ma, one will say porto bi da baby, one will say market bi, one will say clinic bi. Until now, MP might think say I know one for platform. Me can say me bring and most station bi okwo. Na DC be frame me. Oh, Baffuor. Now one ama katikon katam si yan katikon. Oh yeah, what you may ya? I come from Bebo Abaso. Obide mobile friend say number friend landline. Me can't because one you may ye. Yes, our onka. And all I'm saying is MP because say ABI ma and Kofi Kwanya. But to me, a intelligence gathering to know say these are the people feel. And it is good that she comes out and have a talk with them. Manager
at a point. Kwesi Jenny.
Nasa ya pa MP fie. Emma MP and my but see
na one beto to the one time for say fa
no be bow
fie. Wo be ya there to you am time for say
say ebika nyankofo kraka say ebia wo be ye wanye o ma mi say na mu kan I think say whatever it is
but
in bad
no
Okoman will sit here as a station sort of say things denigrated no but the people who call and they will compare ebia hwe na ekoso wa ha when you call then the MP and can ya yes be wahana a man for the bejes okay ya de ma okrasi ka se beje ko bo wa meje an ko bo hono abo ma ne ka ye kom ya no ka say so let share beje ni ade to na croford be
kwesi fosu say me de number ma wa ba
honorable omo say omo hia bundle ya homani ade to me yes e fra opie ni ade no but ni nyina mu no croford beje akobo sa ne mo mu nyina ne ma
but
they will talk about it
manager mami 1 minute. The truth is that Juma de mo ye Juma. Well, nobody is saying so Okoman is not working. Mo presence wo kwapema mu no. Aboa ye bebre. Even myself as MC, you know. Because some of the things are as you used to yemfa say van they go around I be kwa koye dede announcement na that then Okoman does it for us free of charge. Ye bom abaso ho. Na enu achi no sensitization. Yes, there's okay education as a who did in term sensitization. More sensitizing our normal be brave. You can't help us, but my main far way in police station no opposite. Bola bia a war containers 2 are media kosi. Now the way I over connect cropon for to the extent say a year police station a whole district court so any division yes science war court your NI office your fire service immigration. So a one about the office complex.
Ye mpanifo bi okura pehene
very bad.
I don't quite a crampo and I think
very bad.
Yeah, no crime is to say academic be some to demarcate because we see a ball and TV kwa na ba edan ho I don't think it's something that
very bad. A cropon pa. And so Okoman because of your station.
Ona bunu ade ba kwa me ho I think say omo meta ladder bi omo ye. Na manfo na timi agina so ato agum. Me a me to ball agu hobi but me kwa me make sure say makwa na de be ko baby ese ode ko enti obi ono do na onya sa kwanya na obeja gu fam enti if we can get those ladder ni bia because onipa no mba na akade na wa anye dia then you can take him on enti da ma bia no ma bia honorable aboa eye ladder no be se mienu bi na onipa nduru a otia so 1 2 na wahwiri e dia tuma no de oba na onso na wa falada no so no de to forma. We should try to get people to be there at certain times. I say a ballot requirement will be create trema. Say be I think it's good. Say wakai. None of that's what young free local government.
Okay.
Yeah, Wawunia Dennis Miracle. You need in Komoha near K Street Light. The summer ye can be one semi Kofi Ansong Baffuor by say. Or say a biaba and a bia yazakabi.
Oh yes.
Now I was saying,
was it Friday also? Thursday or Friday? We have 600.
And then that is a first one.
Okay, so currently what we are doing is first one assembly na Kasa procure. I distributed it in a way say my assembly members no. Who say omo call re-election. Makes me a politician. Apart from saying me a steward of the Methodist Church. The science a politician. And just say me boy me new anon politician.
Na omo
fam. Into my assembly member be 3. Omo ye 32. I think 15 and because omo ye appointees.
Okay.
Appointees no omo need jurisdiction.
Okay.
Omo expertise. Omo represent government no. Into omo expertise. Omo nyansa and omo experience.
Omo bakokra.
David. David also ask. Evan say Oma appointees no be. appointees ni ebetumi amomo bi, but most of the time no
mo hwe o ma
elected
for
ones,
okay,
because obi wo kra no ya appointee but no enye obeko bi into who command na oma ni nipa na if you want to koye competition, but I know nye the main reason but na issue into me ma way for ni na 3 into me we na secondary schools e wa ha no so me omo ye mako 8 me ma obi a 5 and sana kai na kai no ye de kwa adoso market un say ye chunk of market tools no adoso na yenya na adoso so e kro bi a ase ye ni e wo ho nti e say ye ma almost feel your presence nti no e ho so ye ko ball in kai no adoso market ni so nyina with lighting the place na in kai na kai 111 bi no ye de bubo bokro nti mampon one way ni so any 1 or 2 areas be a advantage and key areas, security prone areas no, so yadi be ekoko. Okay, yeah say no. We're going to distribute it in such a way say I be electrician. You be electrician. It is Okoman will be the request to be bar. Mama yenya away.
Okay.
Yeah the electrician no be ko. No ankasa kwako fix it.
Okay.
Because it's here no the abino yen ni say yeah bibi omo friend no district assembly performance test and I say performance 2 I friend with D part some of the things that you do for your community no say to me showcase it you know omo be share onyoma they look at your website, your pictures, everything.
Your website ni bi
you be equipping
asante bojuma okay then
www.equippingnov.com also.
Okay, quickly get it for us. Okoman Kasa.
And na ye say yenya pictures to show say we are also serving the communities. And you know, the assembly members now omo bo there, but this time around we want to also do it. Into which say we be a fan say Benkun Secondary School and I say man was say for the request be abro Okoman, you let us be aware.
Okay, that's fine. But a Cropon per se, a municipal capital, and I think we should give much priority to a Cropon. Dudona Ebeba municipal capital, and they want to see say there were enough illumination, and I think say that may be ano. But to say a free Latte Junction, the bad Kingdom Junction or Frobani, I don't know. It's soon be ho. And I think say maybe an ajubi ho mefrel name you near Nemuana and near Mantine Church.
Yeah, they all can hear no credit. That area I know very dark. And I offer when so Mampon one way is so if loba from center. Light into my house, so I say a light in that area.
That may be a young 600 did just say you said that 2 car now. Maybe I may pay more who bear him much bear no me and son on 9. I'm sorry. Tina Tabacama Baffuor. It's me a mature Bibia, Ebia. Somebody was one of my choice. Say, I'm a ranting them. We are we won't say a science assessment. So that a Cropon per se being there.
But a Cropon light to how
honorable and no,
a Cropon light to how baby, Osha, Mokwan Yisono. Free Victor Newman fear ho. Ediko si Mrs. Ekufu ho. Ene dark. Ofa Kingdom ho. Edifa man probi ho nyina na light ewo ho. Ena enwechi no uko dachin so dachin ho nyina no we have lighting the place. And sana yemfa Eko Ekufu Town Road no so nyina so. Ehon so ya lighting ho. Inti Ekropon sheda any problems bebre. But I believe say the work on ye na ye the adwin be bom na ya bomodin ahwe say ye betumi ama ba bia ebi ni bia no ye tumi ama bia ko but kakra me kan so ni say obi o problem bia no on the oma yenya where you can write to the assembly. When you write to the assembly you also respond to your call. Into no obi o issue with light bia no oma ya sonte then we will go and fix the light over there.
Enti anapay ye anma.gov.gh, which is a Equipping Municipal Assembly. Oko website niswa. Obo say ene ye hon semina ne go abe fontin tan no. Baby abe fa bia abrochi, baby a obi a obo a obehu niam bebre assembly no eye idea go be for time internet and so ente ubaha our core services, business operating permit, marriage services, ANMA commercial driver permit, out of home advert permit, ANMA ni joma kwa pem North Municipal Assembly motion and so registration of NGO, public health services, health certificate for key trust near the open so warrior to that do konam cry say ni nyina ebi ha aba ebe ma bibia nti ba tete kwasi family yakopon chade oye ha market match my first day at school honorable negina ho a wode municipal director mami okọ na anu yi na omo edin komo kama Madam Elizabeth anokoko na one honorable equestrian kwada omo chicho omadoko de second time robotic champions and also eko edema kwapem no of school CB so we ha kwapem no principal rewarded 15 farmers honorable MP na ejina MC nchen a enei omudi djuma kama tete kwasi farm exhibition center commissioner tete kwasi cocoa farm nyama bebre na ewo website ni so awokwa population ye 236,483 me no ka say ebi ewu ya obi so ahyem entimi se kwanim chense na na mini ha na me me ma ene mabusu abeka ho enti kwanim pa ye land size is 75,399 square meters and so ewa ha na je say ohwe niam ahodo egu ha mesro ayabobodin akọ na ekohwe we also live and across social media. Yes, our presence is also there. We are on Twitter, we are on Google Connect, Instagram, you better YouTube, you and when you near my Becca near when you advertisement and send chief executive a direct email. Ono da hell say bibia da wakoma so bia no in a very decorum manner obuo ni die kwan na watro na na nia ban ho so na bibia kama kwapem of MC embarks upon my phase at school somewhere in 2021 baby sa honorable say nia na ni die actually for update ni ade na I so hwa ha as 2021 and a PCE matriculation for new entrant 2021 ache enti da bibia na honorable bedi nkomo sa adwuma we no honorable ye de ma media men a ye no mo mpotam ye no na ye de contract we no ni mai ne yeso sebe ye de ahwe ho so poso we wie bedi nkomo
obi a we didi
enti bibia be kama enti mo bo mo mbode pa ya hunsi ye wo lot of tourism site as develop any idea ye be hia da ma bia PPP ma have to come in ye be hwe ne di nkomo enti ye ntoa ye nkomo ne so no na ena MP ayewe ni bribe ne ye pa wontama ya hunsi masre ba bia Omanfo no brebe na ye kom.
Actually, since you're raising it to a 30-bed clinic. First, no, now ka beds are in 8. And man and Bema at the same place. Normal the curtains. Into no cry, no more my own home at the enchi. Maybe our banner pressure was run and say, you don't but you see, the about 30-bed, ye pretty baby at the amount. A man or mobile wono, and your mama. Ye creative baby, family planning, okwa, ye bet to me at church on your ye were baby or I'll bet to a laboratory test. Ye were ambulance, and also ebe ba. Any baby ambulance, and also ebe ko, baby ebe pake, baby a DVC, Nina, ye make provisions for that. Apart from that, and also, ye be ye all the test, nipa in here on a brabo bia, so ewo East Orange Clinic hall. Now be said that Ben Ebepa Hontuma. Yamianim Ukraine, Naka Ebesia on the 24th July. That was the birthday of the MP. Naka, ye the Ashenya Kupon Dien Munyam, say Washen so fear do 9. But yen to me, I say, because now a nim honey 1 or 2 years. In the Siano, ya say, Yamia Duma, latest and acha by December. But I'm sure say Ebepa man through December. Now, MP2 Kwan Kakra, I think no aba. Inti meninu bedi nkomo then I'll get a specific date na ya hwe na ya Okoman aswati na obiya so to be anso ya mano ate. Now the main idea is I want to raise it to a polyclinic inti ano so ya start di hu nkomo behind the scenes ye be hwe se ye betumi ama East Orange Clinic etumi aba be polyclinic na yenya doctor obetina ho na wa hwe ama apomudin sem etumi akonanim. So that's it. So for now, but when you say Enchebia, it sounds like baby omo wono kra no a court residents are see the other judges no. Until almost so the contractor wants to come back on site. No about baby so that they will commission it. Until enya dia ye be man achebe bre. Anybody mu ya be make sure say yɛbɛpa ntoma but ɛduru hɔ a yɛbɛma obiara so ate.
Oye, honorable, yɛnhwɛ health na yɛmfa health nsi. Sa mother and child hospital no. Ho asɛm akɔsi sɛ.
Yes, mother and child hospital ɛbɛba so. Ɛbɛba so. But the turn is a whole documentation that they need to call mpanifo ni mo magye atum. But as to say ɛbɛbɛn na ɔkyena no ɛno de mean to me can already issue. But I'm very very sure say enche bi ɛbɛba so. Minya any communication biya from.
Honorable, when was the last time I did you? What room?
Oh, every time biya. I did that or say I did akoma super. Actually, or no, I biya we did check. The uncle Victor Newman. And I started that project, you know. Until I did done akoma super. So we've been working together closely. Say, between our but mean to me a more specific date on this radio.
Yan Okoman phone. So we want to establish our stand. Say you need the tree. Okay. Say him say it was certain adjourning project via. Was it me bus and also to me basso. And the best say a penny momodia and to change hamaye. Na star project in Embrace is a lifeline or a life wire to certain addendums we can why him say seba na timi ye kama enti wada roma ye me be share bio no na ebia ye ko bo form e dia so ko bo form a ye to aso obi de maso be katri en say asase en de anya bia
oh no yendru sa level no litigation bia amba asase bia so ye tell say e ho no osafo hina ase bi wanya de baby ko any di ani nti ye ko eye Kronti division and yeah my land no my asensan bibia ya mfa kwati kwan anya hwe ya ye bibia yes so cry about be TVET but times say I share health nti my enka health no
yeah
litigation
when him say sa jumadie no near TVET eka ho nti ye pa na nti ye hwe ne nkrofo atwa ba ha ne ento aso every ho Nana Kofi Ansong as a great Okoman. Thank you very much for your compliment. Asante Queen said, please ask him about our Ademi park. Ademi is not a farm.
Ademi PTC, right?
Now me who
so be the ayebrufu.
Very crucial when it comes to our sports issues. We talk about it. Kwajo Siao Daku KSD. Fantastic leader. Honorable Berma WhatsApp and said, like, good job done. Okwapiman is proud of you. Coming from Kwajo Siao Daku KSD. Nana Sante says, tell him I'm proud of him. I'm watching you live from the UAE, which is United Arab Emirates, around Dubai. Baby. Tell him we are solidly behind him. These are your fans telling you how they revere you, how they really cherish you. You know them?
Yeah, KSD, you know, America say, oh yeah, one of the communicators for Honorable Member of Parliament.
Okay.
Inti yem picking a number na information biya amu pebiano. Mumon sakana obetumi ama that information.
Okay. Before we come back to the discussion, Obi Diaba say, Mr. I'll say, is it true is it true that plans to divide or sort of separate the municipality? Is there a way to what to be said that may be a municipality name?
No, as far as I'm concerned, TVB aside.
Okay.
But I know, say, there are some people who are pushing for a Kwapem Central.
Okay.
But as to whoever come with their meaning.
You don't even know about that. Okay, that's fine. And we come back on the health issue. Are there any other health issues you want us to know? Health
yes, Kakra, me pese yen so yen huni se eye Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital. Eye hospital bia enu ne kura yen free Ketasia the vaccine could see a prede. Osha the major hospital where Rigi so and Tetekwashi. Nansayana president Ababe Elevati a Kum Presby Hospital where Bri. But a no pono and yani yonko any Tetekwashi. Now me cancer na me pese me can say bia omo nya dia na say visa about Tetekwashi ba ya che. But me nim difference say bia Kumba ansana Tetekwashi ba na say Tetekwashi ba ansana Kumba. But then pese me chen say Tetekwashi ene ye main hospital e wo Regi so. Now no cranny say ye be say no teaching hospital. I no ye 2 among MP tua ho kane bibia say ye bia into the siano enche bia ye be start afa nursing training students e wo ho. You go so ye ho nkrata asem na that day na Into these are some of the things I'm a person man for who. And I buy latte so I will at a health center. And also in Chibia, Yebeyano, a year polyclinic. Into these are some of the things I want people to know.
And so I can mano ebe nursing training. And they were tetekwashi.
The bumper is a bit to bass or maybe time.
That sounds good.
You were one Dr. Fabi. I would say he was a lecturer at Kolebu. And our Dr. Answache. He's pushing it by and one Mr. Felix Nyante. I don't know, I'm the administrator for midwifery and nursing council. And also from a monochrome. He's also been very, very helpful. Okay. And son, a member of parliament and so. To a home Canada day. Until you're on penny for a survey, almost politically oriented, but almost Okwapma or Makumaswa, they are pushing. Some of them are doing it behind the scenes. AB Crab in Yenhu, they are all fighting. Say, you bet to be teaching hospital. So.
That sounds very good anyway. And now that we are wrapping up on health, I want to not renovations in your because when you be or maybe
oh, it's almost about 80% completed. Who drew the Kwashia workers at the Wako Hospital or London and I say visa. Who possessed the Kwashina one. In a rose Nina, I cancel Kama. And I maternity work rather who possessed the Kwashina Wakono. And why papa. The doctors are also working very seriously. Nurses now that they are very apt, smart looking nurses. I just say, and yeah, nurses are workers. So Tetekwashi has been elevated.
That's an honorable awareness.
Mariness.
Now, confidence one of us, but I think they are doing a good job. We've been there, and we know they are doing a great job. But I say, source for my nurses in tea. We agree. That's we agree. Now that the Tetekwashi almost through to that level of completion. Or they say teaching hospital. And I think let's come to security issues. Are we safe? Yahoban more to say.
Oh, Yahoban body will be okay. Be okay. As I speak with you, first now I hear someone now a boy who kakra, but so far we be okay. Be apart from say at the chairman 2 year one brand now you butu adaya and say to be 2 year you know about lusu ne nine. So far, security system has been very, very okay. Now your boys be or both say almost higher green power. They were 4. But the police has been able to gun down 3. And they say Akabako. Or no me sure say wafana who dream. Sebi Kwasiana and Sisana dream. Intino me sure so also a Radebe Kasache Nama was a sana dream. But apart from that, no security is okay. Oshe your municipality we have a Kropon district command and a Mampon district and a Adreso. So we have 3 districts under 1 division. By a division, the nice or Kremuna Eshease, any a breed or Muna under the police division. And so they are working very, very effectively. But the problem I want to say, ye men nusra, Okolata, police for Okoman Kasa, 3 or 4, 3. And I'll call my fear. Omuna be about 11. Almost no more share saffron near that day. And Sana Oba ye Kropon has they are not even up to 14. Into ye lucky men. And so we've written to the police service saying Yami Adoma recruits for Ebeba outie. Omobe my more. I'm almost to me a boy. But me fa kwenya we soon fan stress a few raffon. Yes, Romo. Uko bisa me pe dying. I'll say a dying. A Kropon a dying. And so yes, right. Say Yama Diam Anya available. Obia to me, my boy. It sounds say Obi be teacher ni no weba chroma no nya dying. Obi a nurse onya dying, police onya dying, soldier onya dying. Eyana ama a sitting my diama or more mobile juma. Oba assembly was here. I bet you almost about 70% of my staff are coming from Accra. Oma pe dying, omunya dying. You ever say few rafono? Say omu make it dying available for us. And apart from that, and so omu rent in so moderate. A Kropon dining crime dying who difference be I will need now bo. It's almost the same. You're best strong. And you said no more in there, but you make it rooms available for our workers, whether a policeman, a nurse, teacher, or whoever. I know another macro to me a tumpo. And yes, and I say, I hope whoever by they will go back because they don't get accommodation.
That sounds good. But yeah, share can any the secret hotels near there can near the yeah can near
Yeah,
and yeah, that's what they can.
oh yeah, they can be.
Now, any interest, baby.
Guso pa, but we are still praying. Say you may support from the central government. Now, yet to me,
Now, honorable, you go so tia na say ejababi jinana, and I say go so ebo can be guso.
Oh, Canada, you guso Bobby guso. The attorney say, we try as say across soldier for no crap as someone meeting because under normal circumstances I was supposed to feed them 3 times, but to me you're not 3 no because I am here. You know, once a while we send them money near that, but Canada you guso.
Now, honorable, what's the clear way forward? Is there any hope we are going to come up this security budget that was going to our development? And just as Nanado said, we know how to turn the economy around, but we don't know how to turn or bring people back to life because we can't wait for life and property to be wasted before you understand the point at the expense of, and we also spend at the expense of our development.
And then, but the attorney say we are hoping say you bring your cash so that we pay them. Now, without that, so no, and can we name the crop on by say we you say how peaceful, but security matters you can't joke with it.
That's what I'm saying. That we can't allow lives and properties to go waste. We must still do it. But nina musu site tia yempuntu any enkankro. Enti one empenfooding command doesn't look like a tobetra debiama sa a budget no yenya dia yempuntu because otiwe bia onya ko free supplies ibo na ya mache.
And they no cry. And they say crowd come your office once a contract is good. Some matter is a common fund number.
Aba.
Oh aba.
Yenya kakraka ba.
Oh yenya kakraka bia said ya bana.
Ba do becha mo bia nya ne de.
Sopi na.
Honorable media for na yenso omse mo fa yenka ho.
Monka ho.
Oh, media budget. Honorable. Your media budget no matter so ache. Mu use ya de man.
Okay, you be baby the wash.
Media budget, Mr.
You be baby the wash.
Enti e canage na say we be kai offered.
I think it's around 2 million Ghana cedis. But a bisu guso come over. Now we your friend say, "Mami, your good wife."
Yes.
Ono kwa de ka 68,000. Seko hotel crowd em guno. Onya ukro be chimatu.
Honorable
hati ho de omo pe be
akwam the course if be serious na you can say because you see
it's about 2 million.
It's affecting their business operations
very
and the cancel devaluation semni ade ade ni sabaka kra na ni wait ni hobio and honorable what can we do about this at this time?
We are still talking with the national security and the Minister of Interior.
I don't know capture as part of their budget. MIA.
It was captured actually, but now it's a scanny hole. We fought hard to the extent that we were sure that at a point in time, so about within a week, but I felt there was no money at the time.
My Mr. Wasemo, Honorable, very sensitive. Are you having certain backbenchers, certain people who support you because there are certain elements who might not be politicians per se, but their standing, their influence, they can get this thing done at a flip?
I have.
What are they doing to
They are pushing it up. Seriously.
You have some men who are getting this done for us.
Yeah. I can't mention their names.
I understand. But have people who are behind us trying to get this thing sorted and being catch to be released so you can also have your peace of mind.
Oh yeah, I have. Seriously. I have.
Okay. And I pay so we're free not to any Honorable Meshach. And that's Honorable Barry Masiedu Labi, on a year, a buy crash penny, a work payment off. And I pay ordinary yam Kessia, but every boy. Honorable Ebi Banner, but Ebi say, Mr. Say, Mandela Market, Oyomade.
Mandela Market, we have an issue.
What is
it? Say, your committee, some Wednesday or Krebaha.
Yes,
the same question. Yeshia, and Yeshia, and I can see a per se, there are drawings, BBR, say a per se, one united market, very big one. A brew market, I say.
Okay.
But okay, I can say yen form within to so okay market. And a crapping no for also say there be. Yen no a crapping minimum. Never a crapping mine okay see there be. And he said there be there. The money is also coming from local government. And I yen there. So we have to sign a memorandum of understanding. say this is a mini market or a mini mall for the whole Kwapimai. You know, I don't think about revenue, but I think about the business aspect of it. And Berewa Benya baby akotwade, and Maba Benya baby akotwade, Ufri akotwade on Madina, Lori Fen and Ebuaidi. So if you have it here, very simple. Okay, saying no. So Ubisa, that is where we've got into.
But as about Honorable Ken Ba, I'll ask him. I think you didn't come open. Now the name Akwapim ne wura. Ena ka project say Emra nanka enye Akwapim the central market Akwapim minimum whatever it is.
That's all.
And Akwapim rano. What do you to him say?
Oh yeah, well that meeting Nana was there.
And what is he saying? And still okay, they will not look at Nana and still insist they want to cry.
That I can't tell, but that your committee there 2 or 3 times. Every time you are quiet, the main argument now need the name of the market.
Wow. Anyway,
you know, say Mandela for Kasa. Maybe tell me say Mandela market. You should to an basa. But the problem is that say now you say Mandela market could be registered as his private property.
As the name.
No, I register land. No.
Oh how?
Yeah. You can check it from Lands Commission. Me crimes and more copy on my file.
I'm crying crabby.
You are registered Mandela market.
As I say any day.
Media.
And now yes,
Obesia. I was so bad.
Obesia no
yeah. When you start in Kwara, Nipa no
be. Me say how you praise food and I am crying. Sorry.
Minimum the bounce a praise before cemetery.
So
that a bit to me true, but I don't have that fact.
We will get close and
yeah, but someone has registered almost about 70% of the land. It is here no Mandela market now. Kasano say you bet me we have to fill it. Yeah, the every laterite. Ebe go on na ebi aya compacting. Say be na drains kakra say be ansuo no to a and how be. But ya kasi be marketing so I think the Presby Church also has another way for the cemetery there. On say tete for na day Christo Sumba Ghana. E ho na penifo na e wo. Inti no say ya kase ye be a standing market in front of the cemetery now. I know the Presby Church might stand against it. But for now, Obiamba say on here between Manso. And I also there was a plan we say because Nana, Mame, Nene, Papa, Mo, Honia, then Intinanka, New Honia, the bell long, Naka, garden lights, ne, Sano, no. But if you want to do that, he found a movie Mandela market at Yako.
Think I Akwapim minimum ne baswa.
Na ko na e wo ho. Na is anka be okay. But assistance now no. Mandela market I think say we should support them by making the place
a little habitable. Okay. Obi Diaba or say Okoman the best so far. Kindly tell Honorable very much God will continue to bless him for his kind heart and good deeds from Sambo. Honorable Kobe Saros, no see far away now. Also a good-hearted man. You are very generous and you are honorable. Me don't pay me his out.
Oh dear, Baba.
Mommy. It's what it's about. Anyway, that's just by the way. Nana Santos said, tell him I'm from Martinson House, Latte.
Okay.
And I love what he's doing. We grew up together at Latte Martinson House.
I mean Martinson. Who say Omone?
Omedika that's for no bar.
Yeah, sophobia, ye be Christ, I saw it down.
Omuchifane so no. Oh, yes, I think I read about it.
Yeah, Omabusian for.
Oh, yes.
Omo Anglican, saw it down at cheap.
Okay. Martinson House, family, a very big family in Latte. Okay. What is the state of Latte Health Center and Latte Roads? Martinson Latte former beam, say DSP because if from every Latte. I want to come home and they more young Makwan. Also, what's the state of the health center and the roads? Can you give us a bit on that?
The health center is working effectively. Your new physician assistant, our friend Vivian, and she's working effectively. The previous one was also working very hard, but on my transfer and I for private take over. Into Mininesia, I was my office. And I'm busy and I said, what was her vision? And I said, what is her vision? I try me the person here the ball at them.
And then wow, be here free
me ho. Until the main problem is oh yes, I've detailed the engineer to go and do it for her. Also a secret roofing. Latte clinic. A secret roofing. Until show no toa. I say we drink we no mututu and bone no mututu or dinosaur na show no to ebe fam apie no aye emuasi
okay
nti show no gu we ne so ceiling ne so nti gu ceiling ne so a na nam dan ne ho so yeah so I've detailed the engineer to go. I'm sure say as I speak with you Caribbean okoho na say bibi sa eno ane your problem leakages na eno ane your problem and a road na that clinic na nim ho no a road na that clinic na nim ho eno ne latte for no project no
okay
you person we before 19th of November.
Okay, so by December no na mo pa hunter.
I December by 19th November.
Oh, November yeah.
19th
na mo gusu nyina kota na.
You gusu kota. And now me no ka say ko abo nyina gusu bibia ready. Ya contribution. Media wo.
Wow.
Your chairman your friend no Mr. Bossman. Ba obala tedi obi a friend Kwame Boss. Very generous man.
Okay. Na Latemen Road ne free kwan ho junction e kono. Na no ye ne unia Dennis Kasai o se me dru Latte junction na me call lata na mani kwatete ni so na mani ewu so na so odim se eni a empanifo di won komo adu atri wasaka se na nsen sika abanye $145 million no ni a manya fo nya 44 million Ghana o ma beje 71 million echo new job in south honorable Chiba if important more na omguso omuchiche anya bia what is ensaka bi
there be ensaka
but see benya bi
minim
na what borom see benya bi ana
no there has not been any communication to that effect
na what dada since kebi saba
no minim ho hwe
na enya me catch nti e be dey
I say fe no wa catch me
nti ye ne ho na
so me ko 200 mo
Honorable, unia wonyon kromo abodi enra ene Dennis ete ho ya papa okre dambotwe dabe ne bekako prayer de.
Oh say once you've mentioned it to me no, say adwuma na ye say me anya menko amadwuma. We have finance officer and as a department. It say issue be banner finance me no mo discuss it. They will show me the right way to go. Say banner administrative matter I discuss with them then they show me. Dennis, menini issue be I can simply call Dennis. So once you have given me them for no crime person nya there back be inform me. Inti me the way back home na you too. Then I discuss with him. Then on also be the answer na me be di. Inti anya then he has more experience.
And where is positioned now? Is advantage for us.
Exactly. Inti no me no be di hun komo. He would tell me, say, oh yes, so
me that be do na na kasa we no maje.
Oh, by the close of the day you can call me to verify.
Me no be kasa wa de we ho. Ya nyanti ese sika na aba no mo chemma we ntim say.
But I'm sure they are not giving it to the assemblies as fiscal money. ABI projects inclined.
I think he should be able to give us more detail. Because Chem say lower manya for 44 million. Now o here kwan free Latte junction call Latte na o che say omoye bibia wie no a omunsa kan is around 90 million. Enti ni ebenya bia kra na bisasa nya bia honorable dambotwe de okrede be kan de ne ho na nke de Latte kwan na sanse timi focus say yukumani ade ne
but apart from the information that honorable Dennis has given the Latin penny for we've gone far. The truth is Kofa Regional Highway Authority and on best scout inventory on the road. Into they put it into one document and on my copy, which we have presented to Jubilee House. Say it will be captured in the budget. The problem is if it is captured in the budget, it's easy to get a contractor. But say a new budget more now say you have not had the approval from Highway Authority. Na open contractor obre because so far Mangwasi Road say there was a contractor Midona. Inti onono say no. Or quina, but he didn't get approval. Inti ama wa hote kakra. So it's better we get the document into the budget. When it gets into the budget, it's easy to get a contractor. So yakoyenim Latte kwino there obi otiemi or Latte bia on mark me west and there. Say me say kwino yebeye. Me free akra me call Latte kwino yebeye. Say me every Sunday bia me
oh quiet out in Kasei.
me feeling said almost feeling no so
na I'm so to 4x4 mti
Oh,
but
but
was
say
here
me- I have a
it's
salon.
unti
I have a saloon car I'm used to. Say a woman I'm person me information I use my personal car. Into you know a 4x a small car saloon car. Me need 4x4.
me was so to
Oh, me because they be our own share car.
no,
So,
so.
but
Anyway.
I'm say Nyankopon sad actually.
Keto ano so.
Into who pen no say.
Nyame sa no.
Nyame sa na am dey na. Into who pen no me kira say be ya who pen no say unu na ko no.
Obi say Okoman, yes, thumbs up. Keep up the good work for the people of Akwapim. Thank you very much, Kobisaros. And this is also coming from Nana Santi. Aside my brother, the Akwapim anymore will be very, very beautiful and it will serve as a unity.
Your kreba money in
Honorable Ken should agree for the name to stand since the money is coming from local government. Anyway, Honorable Ken too was my colleague, teacher at NIFA. You can keep your text messages coming in. And we will read it for you. That's what it is. We'll call Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1. I'm saying no do abwa ne cyber stories, but we the honorable you be extended
but
version
before
of it.
say be sorry crana mama can one thing we are doing for Tutu. Who say Tutu am second home.
Okay. Okay.
Now the tennis say omo yenkrofobia okoye programmer. The support the town folks will give you no.
Okay.
Marvelous. Inti mi yi lata Tutu. Do me tie cropon there some way central. Mo ne ye nyina ye panyin ti. Cropon there you be a crow. So I'm not saying say cropon kan. But me yi lata crow ba kwa me ni je ho pa.
And that wa kuma super. Okay.
Now omo baller bi wo ho a e di almost 100 years.
Wow.
Yes.
Utu.
And na me two baller no. Inti na nanu ma ye ho amambre nyina ma. Se sia me no ka say machine egu so a ye two be ya about 40%. Omo two de call
Lower Hills.
Lower Kwamoso. No, he need any judge, no. Nana appearance.
Project we will be your friend is Stone Age.
Okay.
Kwesi mumie Stone Age. Google Stone Age for me na honorable way.
Now only
ye baller kese pa mi ntwa no baller kese pa o for to baller go ho. Brand be for Germany buy. Now we team to baller ni nyina fi ho okotipa trucks.
Okay.
Also cover about more than 10 trips. Anyway, ball and in fi no the why Eco Garden.
Okay.
And now the amo mine say dame bia enti sasa na more reclaim no dame bia no ye de bede.
Oh, nyamia ni Ukraine. My vision wasn't to say bia me ye no maje land no.
E de bibia ma.
But say ye two wie. Na say nana appearance. E ka say bia ye mfanye bibi e makro na we are ready to do it. Now, omo we kubi wa from better friends. Oh wow. Omo kubi wa from better friends. Omo no more ladies agenda we ma. Just say you two baller na seriously speaking. To my any ajepa. Now me so I see that as one of the greatest achievement. Because say na nani ni penny for a page hine no mna that there baby whom he say this is what we want to do. And so do it for us. Oh, in fact, I'm happy I'm doing that job. Yeah.
And just as you have said, we are a man when you have a baller.
Okay.
And I work 200 na Eco Garden.
Wow.
Our man 14 quarters na honia day. Tahina baller. A botan so na baller. And I work 2 okwabitifia. Stone Age. And they require statues near their day. And they eco toilet near the now man for no bawa. That may be a bit me my only number. Now I need to come when a baller and we're tuning in trips of tipper trucks. And the agent, and why I did if you are very quite baby fast. Obet me at 0205 818 748 0205 818 748. Now only honorable MC Eddie Kitahon, Mr. The word is decorum. Obekasa ni die kwan, 7 pennies ni die fatano no. Ye funny die man na.
So ochima aka ochi hine.
Ai.
Waka. Ano nkai.
Okay, na no duty atoro man for ni anye no. I think say kwapem for the atete ama ni die de man penny de. Em say on be no man sa. Enti se na yesi aka no ye din komo no bia yemra finance. Em say din komo about esika sem to say.
Oh, yesika sem there. From the beginning of the year, ne yesika sem unko ye because Abino Kasa Yemen GG property rate. Into the whole of the year NG property rate. So we're only relying on building permits, any market tools. Into now Yahochi and Pa, I must confess. Most of the things are
as an IGF from the map
because I also market and only the biggest market. But Yenya Ohio 800 Ghana
a day.
In a week we get about 1,600. Into a yes could be free a home. Now 1,006 into me a shake crowd assembly because you fuel and qua shekasa issue. Ghana Health Service, Omaya Bomo, education, ya bomb. Almost all the government institutions, police for any other day now. Once a while, some fire service, they all come around. Ambulance, omunaba. It is say you cry 1,006 in a week. Skebia a minute and caution. Into near Hochie. But in Chebia and almost Sunday signal by say, whilst government is looking at how a GRA a bit me a boy the AGG property rate. No. Yeah, so your mom Diana NGG. Inti me fa kwenya we so akacha man for saying yes say you refi say NG property rate, but there was instruction from central government. But I see am almost say my kwan say this year they know the your mom Diana maybe from next year no government will take it and then collect and give our money to us. Inti enchebia ye beba house to us near my BGG property rate. Inti ye seek asem there.
Honorable Ojrana Mayakakra.
Ojrano this year Ojrano man for me one shape.
The
intent is me baffle from. I pumped money almost about 50,000 into Ojra security, health screening. Then yeah. Second year, yes, I discussion we are nyashe. Into this year, they made the more hidden and Crawford say, Omo organize your BBA. Until my family one shame cry. Until one person.
Honorable, what caused financial loss to our municipality?
Yes, and I had to do it because. The Tiana SME and he said, Untumi say Ojra man for fin cry back. Omo bano their security is in your hands as a municipal chief executive. You must equip the police, you must direct traffic, you must ensure someone mobile beton eduaneno they are in good health. Well, Nina assembly no jume DSA because we our hepatitis B, not the beton eduaneno binye bia. Or no we ko, wajini sikako, wabeton yare na ma uncrofono, no eja honoko. It is your responsibility. Ojra na cholera outbreak ACR. MC, what are you going to do? You answer to the regional minister. You answer to the sector minister, local government. Honorable Dambo Chon say the crew will need me. Or back question was if he doesn't know you. Because also or Kasa at the chair president. In the president bet yes you were crapping off Omudio Ojra and Robert say Kunkun Nipa 20. MC, then away. Where were your BNI people? What was the information they gave you? Police Intelligence Department. Then I'm catch you. So ni any fool until uncle baby. Can you answer that? You can't. Nipa miensa collapse. Say where was the ambulance? Or some ni fool MCE. Can you answer that? You can't. It you know every year biano I say make sure say and then it's munina they did it. Obey and it is your responsibility. It when no a buy and anasio or on the boys they want to do it. And I'm sure fine. If they want to do it, I'll give it to them. Because my phone, you know, when they say, one CD. I've never had it since
but Honorable, there's one other thing I want us to look at. We need to widen our net in terms of getting revenue. Join Ojrano, there are things that I think ought to have been done. Ebine to say Zoom line, for instance, they work closely with you. I know say every bin do not pick it on your behalf, they charge you. Every bin, for a normal arrangement for be 10 containers. Any additional container, they will bill you for it.
Yeah.
Good. Around Ojra, volume of garbage that comes are in excess. And Zoomlion might increase their rate at that time. So,
no, they don't.
They don't.
They don't.
Okay, elsewhere they do it with, I'll tell you what is done elsewhere.
Okay.
Talk about water. Maybe Ghana Water might come to you say, yeah, we say Ojra ni pay back kromu pa me pump biya say yo jo boa me. Then you can say omi nyina ba for moi. You might have to dip your hand in your coffers and okay, the coffers say that particular machine no. Security. What we call rationing fee. If you bring in more security men, you must pay rationing fee for them. Odo sabe bo sikam ebi na can say oboka bribi no. Now, the traditional people who live here are mutia operational permits before they operate. Now, what about the people coming in? Are they not supposed to pay operational permit to you?
They do.
And why didn't we make some money this Ujra?
Only the problem I hear one, and I say what I have noticed, and they say, Ebe Druswa, Wona, Ebi, I am say, who Okoman pub. The man say you have Okoman pub. Obekono be Eddie Bankua Babesio, Obi Chebaire, Obi Yese. Also, Nina Mediana, Mena, my extended business because of Ujra Festival. Or no dedicated to a BOP, which is a business operation permit for the year. Into your year extension, you can't charge him. The over to your answer over the ticket.
Okay, Honorable.
And the ticket is 1 CD.
Honorable, you see, that is where the people are trying to outsmart us. You should be able to have a certain register of what people do. Because that's where they are outsmarting you say, or no making business, or in a yard, or the one the boy, or the one Donzi, and on Waji, or media, because he's already made a certain claim on them. And the messenger said that maybe no, can't we have a certain register to know say Baffuor does Baffuor pub, and it is purely selling of drinks and playing music, making that. It will be here before no, I think they should update it. Yes, I
know na make say Okona say Ebia Baffuor a pub. Now because of Ujra or the buyer akan you can only charge the buyer for the night. Which is take it 1 CD. But I want to make a conscience so Ujra Banitino major 5 CDs. No, the assembly doesn't do that. Because the core responsibility of the assembly and it's over many pound. Well, that's why I eat 2 ball who are here and ton. Yeah, the more community now I say more manage it.
Honorable, we say internal revenue anymore. On a normal day, what they call shawarma and those things are not here. Me to be winning ho around that time. Such people are supposed to have their special rate. I think around that time there should be special rates.
Omono to say behind say oko we okra shoe fabric wa. Who say guys be the boss some joint to be an omo they will pay. For those people they will pay. And they be our new something obetuya. Only problem obetuya.
But existing ones accommodate other people.
No, almost a sublete hono. Ediama other dealers. But when you go, they will tell you so I can make jumano na efena me because of Ujra Festival. Ebia me ton bankuni tilapia Ujra niti ebia my mini
pork biaka one
say mini drinking we be I almost share was a tabletop. Okay, so what do you do? Obetuya a horn the amount.
Ticket maybe
5 CDs, 10 CDs or
but
something.
maybe
they pay. So this year what I did, they say, yeah, no mind any kind. Actually, he wanted to make a project for the whole Okoman after the Ujra. Into the end, he say, Anka, obey either a library or something different.
To commemorate the day,
2022,
yeah.
Now he said something, but he lost. There was when you he lost. Now say Acro Farms crowd, you came to support. It was the last 2 years or so.
From 2017.
Yeah, they lost. They spent almost our 1 million Ghana cedis went to waste. Sally was in my office.
But going forward, can we sit down and look at how best? Because I'll tell you one thing. The current MC for Empriso Call South, Honorable Emmanuel Atofori, he was an assemblyman just like yourself at Obomi.
Yeah, I thought you know him. He's our treasure.
Good. And Ata was assembly member at Obomi, and he was part of the tourism and entertainment committee. As then, I was given a contract to manage Easter in its totality. Me year 2 consecutive years. The 3rd year was when I opted out. You see, say yana no more. Number you see, can I money rationing fee, other negotiations, other support. On be a number of Honorable DC. The then DC was Honorable Joseph Omari. So I came in with my company, and we were able to raise over 60,000
profit
on commission. We really my commission 30%. I'm working off. Wow. The following year we did 90-something thousand.
Then we can.
And I think we must look at that dynamics because one, so be bani chrome say obi ba a cropon say two way. Now so we'll call that. Why should we charge you for going to your hometown?
Yeah.
On a normal day, you did to the aircon what you be. Until another day we can't charge you. But the companies making all the noise to bring people to our town, the traffic to our town, they must pay. I don't think any company will go to Goyle and say, "For who will go and make ojurenti meji for free.
No.
They will pay.
They will pay.
And once they come to our places, you get a lot of stakeholder consultations. Major letters, me call the telcos, tell them so this is what we are doing. The breweries, I tell this is what we are doing. And before they come, they know they ought to pay. Yeah, me time no, me charge it telcos no. This empty and I may charge you. You can talk to them. I charge you for coming to operate in an area because obitiwa or no so actual operational permit that. The whole Ghana amount permit say operate in Ghana, but as a local government agency, we are mandated and supported by law to generate income for our internal programs. And here we are almost a certain must be bar and also a 10 from Betrika, no much new antenna, we charge them. We charge all of them.
You see, the big companies, they don't have problem. Telcos, no, only problem. Club, yeah, only problem. Guinness, only problem. Casa Preco, only problem. When you give them the bill, they will pay. Now, omo be business, I say small ones, no. Almost swivel the system. And it is because senior can maybe we have not been able to put certain measures in place to ensure say obi our business, but at least you also do something for the community. And me hunu so say yeah activities from Monday to Sunday. But yeah, attention in Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Just 3 days.
You say 3 days.
But 3 days, I know. To me, we also not being fair to the business. Your friends, operators, and someone by a businessman. Because 3 days, no, and so, and 3 days, no, the place become choke, and no money comes into the system.
How now they make their money? I'm telling you.
They make their money. Yes, Ruho, you say yes, or Boka.
You say. Honorable, anyway, but I'm sure we will have to sit down again.
And then replan
some of this.
Yeah,
and
we
then
have
get
to
it.
replan.
And the Honorable Imata was a member of the committee that I work with today. Is the MC and a very good friend and brother. And
he's
then
also
a lot
a
of things
friend.
we can do to see say you bet cash in at that material time. Because a lot of money come into the economy around that time. We are not careful. People will sign for it at our expense. Meanwhile, any outbreak of any disease after it is us, and you look at it. Okay. Honorable, yeah, sorry, so na ye bisa say tourism. Na no other Honorable Oheneba. Is it? Yes, Oheneba. Wakasa manya new site bi kura mahuni ade tourism on overview net saying.
Oh, you go so and Chebiana a Kufu heritage for inviting me. I no crown Oheneba na man ko representing because na me ke before so e will meeting. Now things are getting better. Things are getting better. I mean, we are likely to get some funding from outside. Yeah, the baby for our tourism. We know. We have Sisiano, about 13 active sites. But then we have minor ones. We are saying, Skaka Krandi Pusha will go far. As I speak with you, Oko Adom Waterfalls, Ewa Bosmasia, Ehokra, they've started receiving visitors. Holidays now, they are one for bar. Yechi ya Dutan Presidential Court. Mr. Kisiedu. And also a hiking site, which is almost about 7 acres. And also Juma. And other places. So I'm in a park force, normally all those places are there. So your bonfire say anymore we'll showcase all of them. Now but more they are improving. So you need a baby so. You be improving. Okotete Kwashi Jubilee Cocoa Jubilee Farm no say and also hono penny4 a bagana. Ebi album South African President Mandela Nikoko Obedua ebi US President bi obaye. Chese penny4 e bagana na when they come there they also plant into dua near the Udin Abon and all those places are there. Inti normal be a PTC say one tourist site we shouldn't joke with. Inti yeguso kakra yeguso.
Honorable, yeah, tourism seminar. Yeah, beba betwaso na ya sorry so but obi di aba say more ne enko back or say the intention ne say bibia wakwa pimbia no omia Akropong people want to have it, but I think you didn't say Akropong. You said Ekwapim mini-mall, which comprise all the
17 towns.
That's all right. In any part, take note or say nye Akropong mall. It's supposed to be Ekwapim. No, say anything that Kwapim straight away is for Kropon people.
Oh, there. Nipa no be our issues with the Kropon. But you see, one thing so I say, you know, when he say, Kropon is the capital. So what I say, Kropon is the capital. See, you can now who say development, be a course where do Kroma. I say, who say do Kroma is the capital of Okre. Inti be a Kobe, I say, Koho. Inti say, be near the Bell Kropon. It doesn't mean say, be a 7, Kropon, GBBR. But no, I the capital. And we can't joke with that. Say a back country, Nima. Accra is the capital, so everything is in Accra. But we are not saying say you may develop your crop on the edge at the rest of the towns. In Kainu, now, so we are gradually developing each town. You know, Omunya Yahuabu and Kakra will be okay.
Honorable, Honorable, okay, we're about a story, and we want us to play that one. Okay, get it to play. You bought Oheniba and Semboka for tourism, but answer no. My main kind message be answer. Very quick one. Or say Nana Sante, or say Mr. Host, you are really putting a Kwapim on the world stage. I'm proud of you. Thank you very much. I humbly request to be part of the health segment on your platform. In relation to food safety, please, can I have any contact to discuss it in private? Okay, somebody will reach out to you. So please send a message with your number. Somebody will reach out to you to have a discussion on that one. Nana Santi, yes, what Honorable is saying is what I want to champion in relation to food safety. With humility, I would love for us to collaborate, to work together with, to push food safety ahead. I've been a trainer in HACCP for years. Well, I don't know what that means. Until it's all about the safety of the food from farm through to the table to make sure the food we eat are safe, transportation, receiving, preparation, and many more. Even the cold stores, temperatures are all part of it. Kobe Saros bring this one. Thank you for projecting the Kwapima from Sambo. That's also somebody giving you thumbs up on that one.
Sambo was my former procurement officer.
Okay, that's fine. And tourism is very key to us. Before I be tourism, about water and sanitation briefly. Now, yeah, sorry, so no. Tiensembia or Hiniba Eka Bra Okusi Wanamu Okwapehene Ahimfieno.
And that day, you to me at the NCC about Ekase, your tourist sites are a war a Kriapem Hano. If you are here, a development Kakra. A bra, your ball, see a day you didn't say what person you patron. I met you, I say, when you are mini Madipa, and no Diamo Kriapem. The son said, I see a buyer. And you may be a tourist potential sites, I will chrome habit be. Oh, Kriapama. And so now you need Nana, that's my. Me, I be a tourism chairperson, I will Kriapam not. Or my echo chin soon. Emma, ye near ma, a sefata, the iron woman, a sepa, and now the Kufu Foundation, a penny for Suntin, the Babatua, in the Minimia, now it's near Boa, Kriapamai. Say a cap tourism, tourism, it's me, ma. Yensika, essence a revenue at your market. But a son say, na yen minting, na yatunage jail. Or say a day, okay, up my Edda was ye. The son say, I do not car. Obaya, and Nam, a Kufu Foundation, a Heritage Foundation for so. At the Ababeche, or more Pieni. Nan can yamen was a baha, or say MC and Kasa never. Naname war. Adum Falls, Adum Waterfalls, a war of Bosmasi. I can say, I associate with falls. But now you need a 2-in-1. Now, a son said, or see a dear your buyer, and now the Kufu Foundation for so, or one boy gentino. Yanina baby are picking in one after the other. Now, and check. I see a baby out there saying, that you was ready. Now, the Bema P. I may be as your funding there, we say, and pa, and your papa at you. Now, on your memory and a memory. And I'm say, and it's a fatal. So one found the milk up in mine, and not do up my
and Heneba Charles, a assembly member in charge, and as a chairman, Edema Tourism Committee, and Okoman Kasa, but I could see Honorable Berima Asiedu Wallaby, MC Adai, Ewokwapehina Himfi, and I say Okasano. Yes, also, na Eddie Common Baby, and Honorable Etimiako 20 minutes. Honorable, Heneba Eka Adom Waterfalls, near say, pa. What do you call?
I call once. Mako one say wo bosumase.
Ya say eye mienu sa na efe.
Twin force. But major one na ye nyina ye ni woso. But recently ono no ye committee chairman.
Or the other 20
there has been another one.
Wow. And senior Okanenya support now. We are going to develop this standards holidays that the Crofobeti Miaba. I bet now have a job.
Oh, crowd is in operation.
Okay.
Oh, people have been coming there. I wonder there is in operation.
A quiet cohon be okay.
Only say quiet we far quota in Guswe. By a trust there is contractor. Oh yeah, contractor is on site. It could do so. And a private individual being so hard. And also abwa in developing it. Into it's okay.
Okay, honorable Yanshe a quiet seven ye calatedi. Now you say okofa maintenance we be portos no aja unisika de be ni nyina aja utuatu amae. Na atutu crowd wo Josh we se ba ko ho. Aye boom po. Honorable ye dey.
Only one problem that we have, and it's a highway rules. No. Assembly need who to me.
Okay.
Say to me and Saka.
Okay.
Unless they themselves come.
Okay.
In this issue, we say we report to them, and when we report to them, they also come.
When they come.
Until Ombeba, and so no, turning to no. I say, oh yeah, any major work be in China say. Until you trains and soon any beba from Kakra.
Ben, now which mean the you as I take.
Oh, and rock and shoot all that.
Sir.
Until you say, oh, but I can show you, say, Okoman, them in your movie to me. Be answer me by a FIFA from my bomb voice in that meeting.
Our voices are evidence.
We are in talks with them. You soon any
Okoman Kasa, no, you also part was only say, more yen brand new. Bosumase hina Bosumase kwa na ye
yeah Bosumase bypass
kisi junction ni ade no eni okwa no okwa man ho ni ade na ho no ase o magya to hwache na owie ha no beba ha
one contractor nti okwa ha kakra no aba kakra okwa kakra okwa man ye pushi no say obebo modern anu watumi abegusu before the 60 before 65th anniversary no
65th rather
65th anniversary nti yani no gusu kasa ba ni nyina is kasem
okay
ni nyina is kasem
okay na ohwe ye kwan na ti say Latter Junction ho akọ amfi porto da ba bia akwanya ho se ye be ye ni nyina afoforo na
sesia no your hope back so yes our legacy road na government person here no from Peduasi to Kofori no na yeah say no baswa yeah almost say o bibi o friend no additional works in the some of the additional works no you bet to me na contractor no discuss na so bet to aye mo
honorable ya me ho nya dey say additional works na bi no de be ye Mandela Junction to Dachi sans so me ye kwan ba bi naka SSB no say ne ye de be ye be do nti ye me ho ye dem say nya de a for papa be dey attach smart nka
oh yeah attach me ne kasa pa
bobodia fa on nam so nyina kan na sa Dachi kwan ne adi de SS ne ba be ye ma ye na SS ne adi a additional way ne etimi e bi be ye ma ye
attach kwa na me lobby no san control at kwan no ma ye me egusu kasa but as time goes on we know what will come about. I'm in touch with him.
Yes, so some sanitation. They did ka ball asemi. And ye two or to the end so. Ball asem sanitation. It is a
best Okoman Baffuor. Sanitation was one of my main thematic areas, and I'm person me yeho ejuma pa. But I'm say Okoman Baffuor no emma me chance. The tennis all call at say you will issue with our refuse dams. Ura kro ni ma ball abi ho. La tem for no your friend odukum neso. Sa ball away no agua ba be dru kwemu. This year me the grader akopia 2 times. Nso na ukwa why basa. The question is didn't na nipa entumi mbomodin say anka ukwa odi be gu container ni ana say baby ayaka se o munhwe wura ni gunu odi be gu ho na anka bibia to atwa. Nso kwabra ni di be gu kwemu because obi ani ho a ohwe no. Mestre say your percent sanitation ye dia ye nyina ye adwuma. It's a collaborative effort. It's not one man's work. Into bia momodin say odene ho ebaji mu bi. Ekropo ye wo issue. Oko tutu ye wo issue. Oko latte ye wo issue. Okrase e wo issue kakra. Ni nyina is because people are not abiding by the rules. But say anya ne sound so dia and yen to me because I cannot be everywhere at the same time. Wow. Inti mesrɛ mpanyinfoɔ ɛne ɔmanfoɔ abutie nyinaa sɛ mesrɛ wode oduru baabi abola no bɔ mmɔden afa group container nim sɛ nyɛ container koraa baabi a ya designate sɛ yɛmfa bola ngo no obiara bɔ mmɔden asɔ ɔde bɛgu hɔ. It is better than say wobɛyɛ sɛ wobɛhwie de agu baabi akɛkɛ. Then you expect the MCE and I said the assembly member of the place to come and push it for you. It doesn't work like that. Inti mesra man for sanitation is becoming a problem in the Kwapim North. But it no nentisa. Anka Kwapim ni de feed the maya brabo mukra. First kwa mosquito ne bidia. But I say bibia e basa. Inti mesra say a man for muaye. Na ye nyina ye tumi di ehuni because we say cleanliness is next to godliness. Mesrem penny for obia osoma abofra so nkohwe nwurangu a kire no se okwa onfa gu container nim o menfa gu form because when you do that you are giving us another work to do. Adoso market say there was issue of sanitation plenty any omo ton kube ni adade no okotete kwahye anim ho say a man bi ton kube ho o twa kube ni nyina wia no agya nwura na go then he goes. I've been there twice. Well, very bad.
On the honorable, say Ujai Onyama, we send your shadow tear, a Juma somewhere down so I will boy nako. And now my tankers once a man. No,
say, Sisi, I know say tankers work, I bear more of advisory than arrest. Until people should be sensitized. Until you're mobile, they will talk to you rather than. But last time I was tasking my main Crawford, he said, Oko Accra, operation, clean your frontage. They will arrest you. They will arrest you. So we should also be doing something like that.
Okoman Tankers, yes, boy and Bomoya. Can we look at it?
Yeah,
again?
We can look at. Let's find a day. Okay. Yeah, because yes, our senior, we will not go far. We will not go far because people are genuinely becoming irresponsible.
Don't you think we are losing our grounds as a Kwapim for you want to hear Brazil, Ubu, any hotel? Don't you think we are losing it?
We are almost losing it or we've lost it. Well, no crane was him say. I say people are taking advantage of maybe the system. Because sanitary inspectors are they are not even up to 5. Well, officially they are not up to 5. Yes, we are almost about 280 communities within a Kwapim North. They cannot be everywhere at the same time. Inti no bo say onipa no ahwe no bia niwa no waye okoma mama yenye bibi. Let's find operation B.
Okay, I think we should quickly get
now
something.
The sanitary inspectors ni bia ka ho. Then we go house to house. Now ya checking patemu obi wo a odware a enama dynamic poto.
You got this move. Yeah,
anopa o famantem
Baba Honorable mo hwe Kwapim for makolate machine latte. Almost kone bia yaka mo cement. Eche say fritete no ani bia wo ho. Akrapem hakra, akropon hakra ofa osabro miemiebre. Enti tetefo ni mpo hu say yaka empotem a na kronimu tikama. Ada na ye nchiri mai. Yes, enti I think ye wo kan we concur. Ye momu nye a certain operation to sensitize the people.
Yeah.
As and when they be stubborn, you can't you bam I'm sure the assembly has the powers. Now you know, Gazette say.
We bylaws. No?
Bylaws.
Oh, it's at the regional council. We've gone through all the process.
And he
a one delay on the web.
And Tom the Banner Gazette Navy and also Banner.
Oh, I'm about BBI okay. Once the say problem are not your nationwide.
Wonderful.
And it's a Oko Gazette here. Very, very expensive. It can cost even 20,000 and over. Until now, we were finding it difficult to do that. But I say, I know the amount say when it goes to regional coordinating council, they'll go through, do all the necessary corrections, everything. To the Maya, it can be operational. Whilst you take time to
do the gazetting. So the coordinating council of have a certain cover for you, so
yes,
you can
please.
work with it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Yes, so some et saying.
Kwapim had the issue problem, unlike other places. Latte for the past 3 years in Shumbai, the thing say maize ni na apai. Inti according to Ghana Water Company, say omoma 10 gallons only 4 and a bedroom kronim. 6 ni na ebe soni wakwan so kran sana ababa bedroom. Inti they are changing all the maize in latte. Into all my year free down how Baby Drew market now or like Methodist church no area ho. It's almost a whole first phase.
Okay.
It's any moment from next month. And I said this month. I said they told me last month, which is October. Now we are in November. It's in this November. That whole phone in our show. The second phase will start from maybe December hoko. It's like a problem ever solve it. Okoman Kasa you show you need problem. Problem kakra wo ho eko we old snake nature ho no me ada no. But a whole crampo no we give them some reservoir. And we honorable Dennis time. Oni Nanama Dokua omuko years on reservoir bi wo ho. Na issue eba from Ghana Water Company. But I say on your managing issue no to your light bill.
Elate.
Debbie Mampon as
Mampon, okay.
Inti car ebe da almost about 17,000. Inti mamu disconnected. No to your water bill. Inti mamu Ghana Water for disconnected. But I'm told say now omo asking borehole connected to that way do. Inti honso so problem now ba from kakra. Then when you go to Tinkon, baby omo frewa pew. And I normal complain say there was no water, but now it's okay. And Okrasi no that there. So they any who problem. Adenya or Chitri, they were complaining, but I'm very, very aware. Say NPA, MI boreholes, Makmaku 8, a 1 year didn't in our core.
It should be sorted
out. My main problem is when we sink the borehole for them, they will manage it, they will sell the water to the communities, and then expect the assembly to come and pay their light bill, which is wrong. Yeah, wrong.
One of assembly members say, "Oh, na din komo so mo pe committee bi no mo hwesa ade na."
Oh, we tell them. We say, yeah, penny actually say manage and use it to pay the light bill, because me to be free a cropon and manage or to trade issue and farm. So the assembly member, the unit committee member, more or the chiefs, then we tell you so. We've given you the water, manage it, and then pay the light bill.
Honorable, and until now, mo be toilet bi mo na management ni ko ye.
I understand, say now 1 or 2 issues be about it's been resolved.
Similar situation.
Oh, but it's been resolved.
I just want to hammer on what you said. Say that the man now here so ye na assembly ne be twa a kaba. That something might make a certain move by closing the place down because actually be cannibal and you done so close to me. And just for people to know, so
once cross, I speak with you, toilet or you're locking. Why?
Because of some of this
managerial issues. You go to Mangwa, say, oh, my toilet is not working.
Honorable, can individuals come for certain PPP arrangements?
Oh, yeah, we can. I've told director, say, we should find some good contractors and give it to them. Because if there is an individual and as a private company managing it, no keep put the place in
tata. No, a certain quota to pay to you.
And no crowd, no say, we no manage. They don't pay anything to the assembly. So if there will be private person, I'll say, okay, well, then, and you cry, 1,000 every month. That's all the better fool. So we say obey you then they will come to the assembly for money to go and dislodge it. It doesn't make much sense. In yes, and said the piano class 1. Okoman Kasa is here, ya borehole on yama and put light in the hole. So you use solar panel. And when we use the solar panel, no Abu Frebia to Boa Bosso say and it is sport. Assembly has to go and fix it. How?
I think say people must be responsible.
Yeah, we have to be responsible.
No,
I say no. Now, what's in Baba?
Also, eja. Yes, Papa Nitia. But over come Nebiana or the form team, Oji, no man for the brainty. I think say
we can't go.
People must be responsible for their actions and inactions. The honorable Kenyan say, you see,
now the Miakasa Crano, Ubisa, me P or Becacho, matching it 2. I want my thing. Usani boni wukoko for Rabia. Kia or you ball a go. Now I say how? Now me quit you or crassy. I stopped and I arrested him.
That's all right.
I say dent in our sir.
So people must be responsible and support what you are doing.
Yeah.
Oko sent me katanya kuponi. You need support. Okay. Honorable, share your chrome ha and so be a friend no Momwami. Omonka Jane, I think we discussed that one. Then it's say maybe Ochinya by drainage, Sikana Bano, so aya near the Asha budget timna, Omonka Jane, Yana can kakra. But aye, Ademi, aya is an old friend is saying, streamer and then for not from the one. We share for a tro and Yama for a quapem who are titu kupon and they may had featured as their main source of water as a then. Yati say a crime to be when you're going to be a question. Yes, I say na.
No, I've not been there before.
And the water percentage for no what can be done.
But my main for when you soon and can't show up my say. You sure that you will be brave or ye quapem ha.
Yeah.
Late say uba. Me kata many are to bonso be about 15 to 20.
Okay.
I see because of boho ni pipe tea.
But I quite and
yeah, quite or Bunkumi or Enchonchi or ho, Asomi or ho, Isite or ho. Bebreu, yawo, Alemi or ho, yawo, Isiasi or ho, yawo, Sengari or ho, yawo, Denchem, and yawo, Enchonchi. Wow. Bebre,
yeah.
Wow. So when we know
Oba Krupon so ye wa demi ye wo Bwami.
Obonka J.
Obonka J. No,
and I'm back we are now Sengari. And now we see now.
Mumwame.
And I see
I'm napa. And I the way. Over the year commoda. Microphone feel me.
And I see ya to about was
a bit so
show back with that she was saying. Well, first I'm a child of my to be real if you move around to me to Nina J. Janis and she don't say. Messer and Penny for assembly members no. Once a while, your communal labor. You just go and clear around it. Wow. Or soon be or how believe we say showing some me pony other day now. They were once human beings. Well, when we treat them well, they bless us. I'm not saying say we should go to that tangent, but what I'm trying to say is a part of us. We cannot do without them. We should keep them neat. Well, we should keep them. Me committee me or Kebu last week, they were complaining to me say it should be wawase honum. As I say, I honor amount for 2 ball ago, and when it rains, then the whole refuse heap will run into the water, the stream, no. Then people will fetch it and drink. Very bad. Well, so I had to go and talk to them now that they are minimum discuss here now. They say, no, yeah, it's okay, fine. If that is the case, Bola no muni free, Odikro no yin free on fan call another area. Sebe ya to make people should do it. No credit woman say apart from places omuye galam say now that they are yekase say bremu ne pranum na that they na the little that we also have if you don't keep them neat na say nyame fasa one day Ghana Water Company is not there. Where are we going? Because those times ube kwa brunkumi anope bi akobe tre we ba no active. Well, who think if now they are called Jarin so new and son wako school. They be now look smart. But now we have left all these water bodies in our SSR and you're fine. In fact, relying on boreholes, good. We have to provide them because that's our mandate as assembly. We have to ensure Ghana Water will give them water. But kakra in our communities to ensure say your water bodies will also be kept clean. We don't have to be lazy about it. The Messer assembly members no. I am organize communal labor. Nienko cleaning yenshomu, yen prepremu, yen yifi, any other there. Eboa.
Honorable Union ni say omanfo atiat na san semetintin a yenye obintimi nyobi ahwe. Dama bia ye bylaw si ba Union ni say clause bi o me a sa wan communal labor e betimi atwe aso amanfo e de yesu ehun nom do mo agim.
And no you don't need a bylaw. O share act in local government act community participation. You can't say you don't want to participate.
Can we activate it at our end here?
Oh, you better activate it. It depends. One thing so they say, you seek assembly on. You achemu 2. You will be on friend seeded revenue. Seeded revenue no. Sky ye jadi Amazona council for no. And I say first you na a friend of town council no. Ye jadi amomo. To say be to say palm one typers, undertakers, spinners. Stray goods, stray animal, funeral, blocking of roads, no neza. Yeah, the need Amazona council for no say. Monso, monye say Jumawe. Na mo fan pay revenue. Na mo fan manage mo area. In the assemblyman or ye lazy no yes ka. Because if someone is blocking road, na say one could be say where is your permit? Already use your permit and also need permit.
Yeah.
But so kono need permit. Immediately now you report. Then the assembly will come in. You just can now. You do the amount. Now so they are share zona council. No say no crano say bibini now your communal labor. You don't need assembly to come in. And I say Bob will be actually one part. You don't need assembly to buy you Bob. Because one casa will revenue. You have your seeded revenue. Night market tools near that day, it goes to their way zonal council. So it's something we've given to the zonal councils to make collection of such revenues to manage their own zones. There were 5 zonal councils. We have the Latte zonal council, Ekropon zonal council, Mampon zonal council. Mampon zonal council starts from Manfi. Edukosi Obosmase. Omu nyina aboma omu ye Mampon zonal council. Ena ye wo Okrasi zonal council. And Sunday ye wo Mangwa Adosun zonal council. Adosun zonal council starts from Adosun Edukosi Mangwase. And Okrasi ni enclave nyina tinkomu nyina aboma omu so ye Okrasi zonal council. So we have 5 zonal councils here. Omu nyina, when I came into office, I've inaugurated them. And now we have equipped them, but almost a problem with office space. Like for instance, someone need office space. Mampon office space. Adosun office space. Okrasi office space. Into Usha and Ekropon so yamom office space. So apart from Latte, the rest are having. Into no say ye kaya boom near see a beye jumano. Assembly even doesn't need to come in. BPR, the zonal council chairman, a Hanum zonal council chairman, Papito. So he is in charge. And he has to make sure say BPR to say Mandela market issues here it is the responsibility of the zonal council. They meet, they discuss, and then they channel their problem to the assembly. And your command is a fighting for Mandela market women. It is the zonal council that has to do that. Okay. They know their work. To say they can toilet you okay in that day. Obiaji this kind of face can huni pakro. So I mean, why should that happen? So these are some of the things that are going on.
Sometimes I need to take very drastic measures to make sure people conform in a way to make things normal. We agree and we accept it. With education, I think so far performance maybe I buy a car performance once them. Are we progressing?
Oh, we are, and I'm expecting better results this time around.
Okay.
Because Elizabeth Koko Amano, she did a very good job. And at the new director, your friend Lorenza, and also all year Juma papa on the office. Every time he's on the field, working closely with the grassroots. Now me sure say no more they good akwemuno. Mufra we are expecting good results.
Okay.
Yeah, we are expecting good results. I was part of the orientation team we call around. And then Okoman Kasa, I had a chance to meet Mampon 4 months before Nina Beshebo, Nana Kobia School. And then we spoke to them. Intino, me sure say Noma Ebekoye. And our secondary schools, so mestre head teachers, headmasters, any headmistresses, last Saturday, Mampon. Speech and prize giving day, Mampon Presec, Memo Trinkwa. Winning awards, so Memo Trinkwa. They are working very, very hard. PSCS, Mamino Ohono, Mrs. Otu Ochre, Gladys Otu Ochre, also Boy Juma Pa, Megis, Oko, also Boy Juma, Okwapmai, all of them, they are working. But yepe best. Okwapmai, issues. Because Okwapmai is a light of secondary schools are a waha. We expect more from them. We expect more from them. Into almost issues because you need them also. Your bomb say next year, brilliant maths and science quiz. Almost on Kobe. Now you're seeing Dean Brabant.
Honorable, not to catch you, but some of the coffee and baby, the coffee, a semi software could be a semi pono. Yahoo said secondary school class of secondary school Chrome and Edoson. Now saying when it comes to national science and maths quiz, I say young Kobe. And deliberately we need to sit there and look at what is causing some of these things. Yeah, you say a brigade can and say and tell one more. So more drew baby, you be
celebrating almost dressing now.
And Yantina say what is happening to us? Okwapiman and name Benkum. And I'm near day, and I say, Benkum say, I tell a teacher for being near them, Tama Meshak, or your headmaster, and we also, and we teacher crying, and teacher for being near maybe. What here?
I'm a TV, sir.
I know that.
Oh, man.
Yeah, why you are not sort of featuring at the National Science and Maths Quiz? The months, school, JHS, Kitway, Nano Dan Quadel, Science and Maths Quiz. Quadan Kitwam, you know, to me free. omo na atimi edi. This is the second time I'm say omo di sankunimu no a ye hwe nim sankwada no ye be hwe omo ne agumom de ani adi omo achi ya te so omo ko ba ko presec yes we free ye potem akono no ba ko so no so ko jamadisa da na bibi ono mo ko betom no mo ficha ma such schools na ye ha no what are we doing so that some of these kids will stay and now almost young grumo it's a project. Tell you say director of education enye na ebe hu nsusanso no e be a year or two no ye be hu result. What can we do? National Science and Maths quiz equipping schools we are not featuring is a fact.
Yeah, but and I make us a question general. So no you audition of your crap mine. Me call at a PSCS. Intimate so many or mugu so kasa. But a baby money.
To be any fiance.
Yeah, baby about crap mine confess.
To be any fiance.
Oh, there be a bit says that my baby are paying for all of them.
Okay.
And I say crap mine. Light.
That's right.
Because
so too much to be.
Want to win for PSTS and compare Kwapman. That one there is a fact. Inti your spirit eta omochi. So Kwapman should go.
Tell can pay Kwapman minimally. Now we so Kwapman. Say now house bay. Akufu no man the chat to come. Mom call National Science and Maths quiz near more. Your man said mamo. I think so.
Yeah, me share headmaster in Kwan, Reverend Affair. I know he's very, very strict and disciplined. Okay. And now, oh yeah, strict and so. Mr. said the Okano, it's a project.
Yeah.
Or see there yo. Presec for we need the Tosun Siano. Almost the award no brain.
A brain Ohio.
And that's so Timmy and I say, Ubi Timmy or Ben will be a man in Tias, say. Or your presec old student. But or you crapping here. Oh man, and him broke up my school.
Only my life patron.
Yes.
And that's my school.
Yes. Intini Brisui may throw challenge. You know the man said next year. But Bia ye be fire so my to me ban. And I say Megis. Say I'm gonna the A schools. I war and pattern. We have 2 A schools.
Okay.
Megis and
Okwapman. Yeah.
Ben kum no ni B schools.
Okay.
Inti yesre nana man any embra school ne.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now ye promote.
Honorable, not to cut you. Minim ayonkofa edokwapeman enu kwapehene ahimfie entem, but I want to believe say your mining school. Okot se Kumasi a prempe eno was dia na ose twitwie no yade ya niema manhyani wo ho pa say it sent a certain a friend is saying what me say me kind of almost
the symbol of way
exactly. I think Okwapehene at any given time should be the life patron of Okwapeman and make sure say they are moving in that direction. Oko school mo where house bia doku account doku champion doku kufu enti ohwe edini wo ho na ni nyina ka onomo ade shidini ade ne ho
sisi akra mo adodan kwa house.
Very good. Enti e be say nananom se wo kan mo mani ko ho na yempaja Okwapement true enamba bia Okwapement din enanam ebetimi abo Okoman radio so ni sen ka make but I'll say it ye ne empani egusu hye program bia Rest me biano sa or how we identify na ye be sa quiz be dia prepare oma na onoma media ko o me do ho ebeba na onso abo ama director me
ba me manager no crab akonso any say oko bi ti say na no ya presec for wini ye na me tie commentary udu level 100 na say first year na ya pick from presec e bi ankwala 30 na ya pick mo crowd the moment of vacation. Your parents are aware. Yes, boy, yeah, Winnie Bako, one of the boys of Winnie. Yes, from JHS.
No more time, you know.
And no started T brilliance, math and science quiz. You know what, DH that. Yes, the Beyond catch any man say, I will win this award. I will win this award from JHS. I will say from 2.
I will say Kragumi.
And I will winning so. Indeed, if we want to Okwapment to also feature for the whole Okwapim state now. Say Mufrano ba first year na then you grooming almost 30 students.
And Godaya guys say being convocation. Me so me links was St. Peter's. Temetako quiz boys aduane different. Special treatment. Send you okay from form 1 no near grumu omo baby quiz boys da.
Yeah.
Omo aduane ye quite quiz boys aduane. Ansana certain treatment omo ko vacation no na teacher fo no omo ho na hey na no ada odwure ba ye na koda bia da so ye do odwure wi ansama ko school odwure ni twam a ye hu bi o man fe ye hu bi o ye kwasi kura hu ba also odwure ni twam a me ko me kan we get no any at in terms awofo no any o man interest na ye nye apam bi say look ye de mo man na be project na man onyam na ba enti let us all sort of subscribe to it. It's something we must sit down and then help. Obi ba be do odwura o say o school man ma o foreign tiasia erinye ye enti na wo can say we must have a discussion and going forward because some of these seminars we should be
organizing. But I believe manager as you are saying, you know, ebe ma ho say bia me wo ba na school no be catch me so oba we ye grooming for brilliant science and math quiz into on ba vacation. I'll be very proud. I know my parents na need you. Nanya ne ba wini ye na no say Saturday me come and pump presec. Boy bia obeji award. Ne mami dinechi. Well, parents should be part of the whole deal. Because your my parents no so anya involved and as a parents no show interest via woman. I'm from na so anya motivated. But if ne mami dinechi, ya catch us Obama vacation because you're grooming for brilliant. They be be na open. Who asem cry.
Kese de man. Na no benkuma se me ba ye na ya na titi en kakra nti me ne me producers. Ye bana Kofi Hokori ababa ne na ma metina ase hye ni nkran se asi you have been abused somehow but ni nyina mu no ya brabo enti ma we nsi ukwan we rather should motivate you to become somebody and the next big teacher so that you can rather nurture children and then tell them your story. And I think say we be said I'm very interested we show interest yes because a better than pinnacle spirit. Unfortunately it does happen. Teacher ni cry or what's in your one ugonya ne he na akwada no so yesa akwada nko ball so okona se printu atwa na ye mia ne nan man ye nyama ne pro enti se ne wo kana wo funu form nhyem na ye moa na enema ntimi kwa nim text message bi aba ma me kan ma na ye nya kwan o say where is this one what's the name yeah, thank you for okay. Nana Sanders, I love to call you KB, which is Kofi Ansong Baffuor. I like the way you handle all your interviews. It shows how you know how true journalism is practiced. I love you. I love your shows and your other programs. Thank you very much, Nana Sanders. Nana Sanders says, how do I reach your decks for the food safety collaboration? And please send a text message to our inbox with your number and our producers will reach out to you. Eddie Kwesi says, watching live from a Akropong Anglican, teacher Chade, please, information about any information about Borishem bypass to Pentecost. Sakwan, any Borishem, no, if you aja Akro bin ho ebano, Sakwan bia eda old police station, how's the name? Old police station wa besiano, honorable as a story ache, meji say sikasem dia, but anyone will say a better near the HDM.
Oh, yeah. Almost cry and almost was it that Thursday and almost shy? And you go so
okay.
You go so and they will come back to sites.
And somehow can be one man I'll see a guno. Nana said the names of the rivers he's mentioning is really giving great nostalgia this afternoon, Mr. Host. Abrunkumi was really serving all whole lot of community for when we were young.
And so Ario
Abrunkumi no
Ario. Now senior Osawo and in blue.
Wow. Wow. Spring water.
Oh, Daubenya time bia mama no ko.
Yeah, be kwa. And I'm listening and watching Honorable and I can say that he knows what Akwapi needs. We will support him with prayers for him to succeed. Please tell him that's coming from Nana Santi. Nana Santi sends this one again. KB, as I will call you, you are the next Hot Cake Morning Show host in Ghana. You are making my afternoon great. Thank you very much for the compliment. We sincerely appreciate this one. Yeah.
Brilliant maths and science quiz.
Yeah.
Me susu say.
They say national science and maths.
National okay.
National science and maths.
National science and maths.
Yeah, and brilliance. Not brilliant for that. Not brilliant for the next one. I say abanaji.
Yes, you knew.
Okay.
Okwa Maden. Any megis.
Okay.
Damakuma so say. Nanafi so we try no kakra. Oba. Yebe kɔ ne hɔ.
Mate.
Na yɛmfa nkɔ to n'anim sɛ saa 2 schools way. The rest ni nyina aka ho de. Mampom Presec,
But we money near
PST, but we money too and whether we like it or not.
You must make sure they represent. Yeah.
Mpenifo wo kro ni mu no should be part of it. In as much as amofra no di school ni din ko no. Kro ni din so ka ho.
Yo.
Ena kro ni din so kwa. Ye nyina ni monya ni bi kan.
Yo.
Inti ye de kotu nanim na ya ma suggestions. Na ya penifo aboa because I'm told say Oko Preseka they have dedicated a whole block to national maths and science. I say who drew science books you know there but say more officer question.
Just be studying.
Well, and they make life so easy for Mufrana ye grumi omono. Say they okay. Omo aduane omo nsuo omo bibia different. Motivating them. And there were extra teachers because omo to me got class in yeah call mass now that they no send an ordinary student would do. So they have teachers who take them in the other subjects too. In the baby obe lucky biano, the teacher comes to fix it for him or her. Well, I don't know boy. Inti nana ba ye ne no kotrase. Near Chinese say it's a project we want it to come live. And ye cry na say my regional champions are. I mean, it's gracious. Wow. Say Pesco now no more win here. It is a winning from Easton. Now say about Okwapman winning from Easton now. We are okay. Well, now you so to me Emma Mofrano and you're motivated. And there should be discipline in our senior high schools. There should be discipline. Mestre senior house masters know what the various senior high schools no say. They should be strict. Yemen jamu frane pe momo because they are in school. Who was school at who be there? Who nimunti na waba? And who is going to teach? The teacher. Until the teachers no should take their children as their own children. Send your woman oba enye no hunu ofieno. Sana don't allow it in the school.
But honorable sir, what are they paying?
Yes.
I'll tell you one thing. People should get to understand this. Se teacher ni biya one fakumapa. Anshen krofomano. I'm sorry to say this. Nemanya basa.
Okay.
Because ye din kwadam ase moldium. Na udi atimode kwan unsho mu ye udi omani na no assembly ameti say na nkwada bi mrantie bi cho ayi entry exams to Makola. And bro mo cho no teacher ni ba ko etwa no ye sana kra no ba ko so copy so bi because ai anya ntama ka kra ko Makola. Say Oko for further way na ye wo ya enti samanya ntama nka ko da we den kokko Makola. Can you imagine? Enti teacher for bebre no om dia yam ye ene ade hwe nkrofo matrix no no I tell you hwe ma bebre na ekwanim na om de atimoden ye nkrofo ma basa no bebre ni om so om ma aye basa enti se na e wo kan wo ye teacher ni na den koda sha senior master you wujam enkoton santon ma no emana kwan ezad manu kwa bibi obo bebre o sheta na sika bi ebi koye bet ne saka wadom na oba bebre phone ni adinti na woni de ache se ne papa e ka no wan hwe ya in the end untwa eho akatua pa enti yuyam na trenten kwada na metuwe mekasem we me papa o che made o secondary school o che me geography and economics me school na mabie no on headmaster hall.
Okay.
Na mekase committee na otaka teacher fo no was mo boss na wabe me so me boss no matwa ne mape
exactly
na metete ni yie enti ne hwe se me call pension no
ono so ama
fie na ni a me ne nam aye adwuma yi meka kosi se osinkwada a mo hwe o mo kitinkiti echina ebi be doctors ebi be ye ministers president kura wom o hwe ni yie a onya ba bi si a onso bia na wakwa ahomegem na wabe fa se Kofi abefa me nti teacher adwuma de eyo frekra chi asofu dwuma.
Oh yes.
Sansa woni kwa asofu ye course for 2 hours woni kwada betra from bia 8 o'clock to about 3 o'clock. Look at the length of time. Enti ye best teacher for no se ne wo kan omomefo eninyim ye ho nyim teacher ni kura cha kwada no ampase a wa wote nka se wan ko na ni ma wote nka se enti
manyere me wan ko
manyere ntem me kaka kwada ekole okoma kola. Yes, Oko lawyer. But I mean, can you imagine? And the best friend said that may be ano. Send your cancer honorable bar and the better nasi. Na ya she sa anamu tuwe.
Me tried your PSCS before coming to head of
Okay.
When I took over, me head of department, Mr. Ban. So tell me I'm born about super English. Me, I was handling them English literature and a CRS.
Wow.
Into Bible moons them, they all me for their wetting. We were me chair CRS for almost 3 to 4 years.
Wow.
And I'm chair literature. And so I'm chair English call. Now me call, you know, there had not been any.
And one matches with Utima Bobby. Yes, so you might say, I give me this, no.
I want an A
in my class.
In my class.
Wow.
And I'm a catcher, my friend said, this is the project I want to do. I need A from you. Until he said, "Move to me, mommy, A no there. May your party, mama."
My mom knew here be a no.
I didn't get the A, but I had B2.
Wow.
And I'm the free or the buy.
Wow.
And the boy who gave me the B2 says, "You're a lecturer at Mount Crest University."
Wow. Yeah. Your friend is saying?
Your friend of Fosu Michael.
What's your idea?
I only know
public international law.
He was my student.
Wow.
Oh, Fosu Michael.
It's okay to LLM.
You see.
Public international law.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I taught him. And he was my darling boy.
Fantastic guy.
He was my darling boy.
Fantastic guy.
The choir and I'm saying, I need A from you. The reasons why when you're B2, he wept. I was saying, I'm disappointed.
Oh.
And I'm saying, yeah, your genius will make it from
wonderful.
You.
It's a small word. It's a small word.
Over to Michael.
What to say word? There's a come of he delivers and then you go.
I say me more you do a channel.
Yes. But nice guy. He dresses. I think say he takes after you on that one. I'll talk to him when I get to lecture sometime next weekend.
Okay.
I mean, don't cry, man.
Okay.
Don't cry, man.
On the friend is Shaq.
Mati.
And how can Sheriff Coco?
Mati. Honorable. And I remember, you tell them there. Now we have national presence now. You also man penny, any penny gusunia me go kwamu, and here kwame before Subenya. In terms of your full situation, you know, a bit to me, I still na price negina. Don't lie, so you won't say about from Abana gusunia me go kwamu. We want to say something about the national politician.
Man, encourage a man for na age to say I must confess because no maybe or turn 2 cities and over be 6 and 8 it be cry 10. Now the 10 is a international problem. The whole world be bia shit. Ya say UK cry prime minister resigning, finance minister
mienu
baby Sri Lanka money that day minister president say Johnny no me shit ye nyina ye tiase ba me sre 2 years na aka no ye wa rehim say enoma ebe president is working very very seriously say ye de bibia ebe kunu kwan mama ye make sure say bibia ebe fa. Enti sa propaganda no na say you call one of the villages me obi din komona or say president Nkrofo aba be catch from say president Tweska bebre no so ntwa enti no man ni mo ashi ni na propaganda service NDC for anyam no mo ke catch man for but no enye no kre de ye kan say o man ni de mo ayedin na senior ye nda nyakopon ase say ye nyina ye won kwam say covid ba ye obi asuro. Even Nana cry babe declare lockdown cry. Everybody was crying. Satana Gary cry saying, but ye won't come. Na say ye na ye to me. Sorry ye juma na nyamiadum ye bibidi. Na ye penny and sakan. Na say prices no na kosra. Ye pa mucho Ghana for nya ye huabotre. 2 years yake. We'll make sure say we soften things for them. Sebe ya obia ehubetono. Enye easy. Even MCE crowd this month, no MCE had more than 1,000 Ghana cedis as a salary. No MCE, the whole Ghana. No MCE.
For which month?
This month,
that's
no
right.
MCE had 1,000 cedis as a salary. 11 months we were not paid. In some of the things are maybe salary about 750. One, some of the things are abino. Yes, so you're bro. But no, you're quite so dry. Ne hu nwini nti otin fifiri a uhu nti na e obi a se bia sebe aban no forget Ghana for ye forget Ghana for ye be yo Ghana for nti ye po bia chew ye nim so man ni mu ayedin but nyamete ase bibia ebe ye nti obi nya ye ho abotre ye be sesi your mind no ama NDC for ankasa kra be bom nsem but say nya Mahama is not the best option. Mahama is not the best option. Into no said the kind your best system, your best system. No. Like I said earlier on, NDC feels closer to power and they are smelling the power. But Namyanim Ukraine, we will make sure say we will change things. And we are not giving them because the best managers of Ghana's economy is MPP. It's internationally known. Said the best managers of Ghana economy, MPP. NDC cannot. Mama so abedi bida. Odi eden odi atamos wo nyina mama ka say ono na no ye adwuma ni nyina. Uwie kra san so de she onsa. Then I'll be here. So now
people are making certain assertions. Say they think the economic management team of the MPP led by Dr. Bawumia has not done so much work. Hence our predicament. Indeed, there is international crisis, though, but I think certain direction measures could have helped.
We first.
Now, Dr. Bawumia or Ogbejojo?
Yes, mitie no pa.
Na ko phone no.
Oh, me kra na mnim say ehuru. Na mnim say omo man fans. Until later answer am meti o news say omo huru no. But enu po de enyehu. We was say Mahama na kasa akoko sa chakroma say dey. Until na no dey ye nso. But no kra wo mu no say we are trying say ye be shemu the devil. Ye be making sure say nyoma ebe tutoto ye. Na nsema about me kan na NDC for no also for so ampo for kan ye. Last way before 2016 elections, say omu huru penny for ombe koso eno na omu implemented this time.
NDC for ne.
Oh, NDC for ne.
Oh, honorable.
MPP ni be obe kwako huru ba umia.
Oh, honorable.
MPP for the West we can do ni say the buefu onto aba. But pa say maybe
but no for a whole majority MP to also put even a certain press conference to say they think the finance minister has performed abysmally, must step out. Don't you think where they represent certain constituents? Don't you think it's about time you look at what the realities are? Just as you say national, international, global something, and the people should rather exercise restraint. But that's a come here. Ghana phone we should not be encouraging them to have that one done to allocate some of these things to NDC.
Now, ye hwɛ say ɔman no ebe tumpon. MPs any omo make press conferences na de ni nyina no have their own reasons. Omo de yes ah.
Oh, ebi ni den.
Ebi ni say maybe say MP say no omo way monitoring and evaluation allowance and buy. Omo common fund and buy. Any say no man.
I say try last week.
Ni nyina aba. But before no now man catch say ombe tuya wo. Ye ko share president wo chebi no. Na we finance minister Abana Samsa. Obe share e residency e wo Koforidua. No catch say ombe tuya adwuma for 26. Omo tuya we the following day they will release our common fund. Intina me minim say ade a eba. But there me yarn say any we mu press conference ni omo demand for sacking of the finance minister no ebi share nti ya man for say ebi a omo threaten no and am na release this scan
na a scheduled payment and ebeba
na a scheduled payment every MC be our Eastern region. But
on the point from where I sit and my intelligence says the president had agreed to let Konofrata go was Professor George Baffuor takes over. This morning, an intelligence I picked. When you say intelligence?
No, me nyai.
That's intelligence I picked this morning. Anyway,
some of them say intro for there.
From a very classified source, but we are hoping that announcement could come and then we will wish Honorable Ken.
But I believe we have not been fair to finance minister. Yeah, to me, maybe opinion.
My opinion. We are making my opinion.
I mean, the obedient, but I'm speaking for myself.
Yes,
and that's my personal opinion. I believe that we have not been fair to him.
How fair?
In the sense, we took over in 2017, and now you take over 2017, 2018, 2019. Things were okay. 2019, 2020, COVID came. Basically, 2021. Me say, if you judge me from 2021, only fair to me. Because the whole of 2021 will be a new crap in my heart. You're even one city, either for property rate or whatever. No. All levies, ye jai. Ye obi a new 2021. Obi a new to yashe. We didn't take any money from anyone. Even pretty private schools now that day, yeah, the almost sick at home. Omo way nyina building property rate nyina de chomo. Adwumayefo nyina de chobia. Indeed, the government lost money. At that time, adwumayefo were paying them. JHS for control exams, if you do the whole country. Eastern region, you were 1,385 JHS. And that's a school be our from 40, multiply 40 times 1,385. And that will tell you the number. Even in, I know you're only Eastern regional. Government fed all these people during their BEC. Teacher for were being paid. Nurses, police, omo front line now we double their salaries. Yeah, chiche PPEs, yeah, chiche sanitizer, free water, free electricity, whatever. BBR. Now 2022. And no more idea. Mose pape na ye. Or no there no ye. When government was saying reduce inflation to about 7% or whatever, no, and the people were happy. Ken Oforiatta was a darling man. Ebimukrasio, he's a man of white uniform. He's a gentle whatever. And then everybody is calling for his head. In my view, I feel say, in as much as we want government to do a lot of things, you know, we have not been fair to Ken Oforiatta. And no, you may personal opinion. My personal opinion, me share. Into also me bet me I share all there.
I think, to me, on principle, you should have resigned way before now. You see, you don't wait for certain anger of the people, they are in their distress state to come after you. You see, he has a certain conflicting posture on some of the government, should I say policies or something. Yeah, for free SHS. He's the one who pays for all these things to happen. He says, I think it shouldn't be on a wholesale. It should be targeted. And he Abai said, "Minna me president. Famobia." Honestly, no, it be better me to ya. And he said, and he look at a situation like that. He has a conflicting posture, but because of a certain presidential order, but be or the day. Let's look at IMF. This is the man who says, "Minna me tigan sikahu." And we are a proud country. We will never go to IMF. We don't. And even when IMF discussions came, he had already indicated say he's not interested. See, I hear you can negotiate a certain policy more man. Because right from the word go, was say I don't subscribe to Ghana going to IMF, and also we are a proud country. We have the resources. We can do ABC. Bra, or try. Even 11 alpha no. The next option, IMF, you should be stepping down from there. Say, look, right from the word go, on principle, I don't support it. Look at Brexit. When you was talking about Brexit, David Cameron stepped down. Was look, I'm not for Brexit. I'm sorry. Guess I want to do it. Then came Boris Johnson. And I think say on that comedian, I can say, hey, you're not a pen I'm never do say. Brown say Ghana, the only option IMF no. Please, I can't negotiate this. I'm sorry. Get down. Let somebody continue. But now, I'm a man for the Guja. Now, my pioneer party amount and negotiating ye. I dare watch this. Oh, crowny mujidi. Unim to say, boy, yeah, nipa away. No. To me, sometimes we dig our own hole. Unfortunately, on principle, you should have stepped down. To me, if you ask me, I'm sorry. Me catch them day one. Send me the IMF there. I don't subscribe to it. Ebe be my negotiation because I'm not for it. Sebio. Honorable. Why a politics? Febia, Nyako Poja, assembly member, sir to MC, and ne. Ukasi unye politics be my minister combedo. And you be crowd links are war, and you name the Ada Woka, credentials, no be a catcher better. Was the man you see, the Mesha guy, he teaches at Kempa. He does other things. Until also the academia crabbe bobra. Ucho boost kekekra. Senior Kula Muchuya, a common new. And I don't see why a honorable Ken will hang on for Ghanaians. Me can have a Ghana for no new Mutumanizua over. Who said go to crowd moon? At a point, I'm sorry, most of my mind, I did my said most of my mind. I think we are hoping and praying someday water will find its level and we will be fine. I want to believe so. Omana tier to her. You are talking like a white man. Yes.
But yeah, before no, yeah, you know, na different. And pain no so no. Na you believe say ebe wo. Into no say wow over to your say I want to step down. No. It doesn't really come into a Ghanaian man's
African man's
African man's no. Bruni dia over to me I say but here before
Liz Strauss recently says look, she thinks she's not cut for the job. She's already should get before they know DK in the finance minister.
Yeah, finance minister.
Oh, we are sitting there kono. Oh, sorry, omo be met to us. The India ni have I understand your point. Obi say KB, good morning. Please, my problem is Yakote Road. It had that had turned to marketplace. What I do? Sakwano, yes. Most quite be that market, Bandela market, could see Peter Hall, PC, Equano. Them last you can make a once them, need any cancer, you can once them. Sakwan, Madara, my arm capture my. Okay. As I say, access road, say, Chromusi, a yenia, I don't know, Typhow. Into best friends, Damabiano, Udranomania, a year, Cassia, Bananomy programmer. They have no option than to use that road. And Kukwasi. Okay. Equan, so Adaroma, Damabiano. You're prioritizing near capture near far. That's how Kukwasi road no cry. Me na me you two more. It is a demi so corner kubu. No budano. That's also who boy you can't to money. Now what can swear? Oh man, I know you are a sugar. Oh, good text. Oh, yeah. Obey a sebi. You better pass me my own. You won't yes, Ada. But that woman, in fact, that should be I say a bona paso. A son say. Time I go home to see a PC bunny dino. The kind say dino ni si kwan. Yen to me connect you kwasi to a brewer. Mumu ni hu asem yembu. Oh. You be an country man. My friend say mama ye. Na no ye. Ono ye krunti him ya. Dama bia no. Enye say wo de kwan na no ye street crime. You say fata. Oh, dino we see you. Oh. Also you know the mumbu. Compensation bia mam. Yeah man hwe. Honorable Dama be the quantity. Now, Honorable, that street name here, okay, them, Makai. Clearly, one, now say, Mudley and Mamfa, Mudina and Contem. Now, I'm not going to be some farmer, and I am correct. I still cry, being found by. Since you are my young Mudia, Yanya, Adonso, Yanya, and so crassy, a monochrome, latte, a cropon cram, not too sure someone submitted. Wow. Now, then, one of one said, yeah. I said, I have for no way no brain. What on Cramma? Oh, senior, tomorrow, no man for no saying, yeah, woman, and your major. Pamcho and an animal booty me. The whole crapping off. Mon submitted, mon street naming, Omo person mode, a street and property naming. India is not only streets. A be a park, be our person, the two be a Nina, Bushia phone shame, a dozen for the Omo Diaba. Na yina yen kopen krum na yen changes Gershon Street, Gershon Road nomne no eye anka be bomb dey about for security reasons me moment me say a foreign name cry Kampala nomne sa no Kampala is Uganda. You see intimate na nanom obia fa omu hia no fa pa me pe ba Kofi Ansong Baffuor Street omu pa me pe ba ko dey na ope many questions be ho map ba ko dey yen fa Hanover dey no to one I no say ke fa wonderful. Honorable. It's been very wonderful having you this morning. But Okoman Misremo, me Ghana Health Service. Almost they said that, but almost say every week we are more 30 minutes, almost per 1 hour. Okay. Almost no more people. When you say Yarebi, to say Jato. Our my friend you also say ebi wo how. Wow. Bruli Osa. I sent to you. I'm saying a friend of tropical neglected disease. I say ye near my idea no. And then a woman. Oh no, I think I now say I was surprised past MT so I'm say I no put them I will man see villages no baby. No. The job they report to buy I'm share and I'm say so do we still have all these things here? You know so mundo Okoman Kasa my Omukra na boy every week be on 30 minutes. You might to me the church man for na say nyoma ko ye nyame shamo. But munya no 1 hour my anka boy pa. That's okay. I think we should be able to do it. Oh, health matters. Leprosy munya dey na bi hye system ni mo. But what the kwame? Kwesi. Obviously, greet my brother Kwame for me. Ever smiling Kwame. Kwame, me what? Kwame here. Kwame say I'm man no. My over bridge I'm man no. It was this straight who here pa ba man ntoka. And the crack they say. I'm ready to go.
Mesre Ghana Health Service they are working. Seriously they are working.
Okay.
HIV say ye ni ama omo.
But COVID dey as far me can COVID dey buy in say ye ni ama HIV.
See the secondary schools.
You don't mean it.
Seriously. Membo school needing and almost year health screening. They had 15 students. I'm telling you.
Wow.
Ewa krapi me yawo. Nti misre ye nyina ye hwe ho so ye. Na and say COVID no say na wo kan buy nti ase obia HIV is still active. Na sen krapo de omo ye ni say.
Wow.
Omo nduru no. Omo ma patients no emba hospital ho. Almost to me fret to say to say mimi will be we nipa be 3 a on to me ka so munhia e wo bia washing bay and I say munhia e wo Abrantia sport and now munhia e wo Hanover munhia e wo Fabiola whatever nti obeba to say the onmu din komo na no the more drama mo so you don't even need to go to the hospital
so because
so be who say we is ni and say visa no and I yes we committee bi o ha social welfare for no any omudins was so advice ye de omo fra malaria ni other diseases sebe ya who say bia meshako bia na sa asumesi wo bia nti no yare no hu nie ni wo ti say first no stigma na perform nti yesre obi wo no obi a o men spread it people are spreading it they know and they are spreading it and the issue is that because of the confidentiality clause ben yare no ntino you cannot go and say o meshako bi nti hwe hunsu ye won ho ono crab de obe court say why have you declared a health status well ntino na me bisa na
say any obi an so be do tremu obi ana enka say obi na de ma meeting be komo obi bi enye kama ye to ase pa anapai ye beda honorable as say wa be church ne mama kire na yin say ebre semu no because about Eric Asiedu, well job done. Barima, yes. So we na Eric Asiedu say and pay one bejuma pa. Enti honorable as na kwa na ebe down na okay no na e dia na ka kira woman fo no afutu ben ene adesre ben.
Me futu no ebe kwa ma awofo a omoma ewo school mu. Mesre mofra no ye dachi. Oba Municipal Education Oversight Committee Yenchia and he said without our children there is no future. I was privileged to join the PTA meeting. Ewo Koforidua English Arabic or Sabini Kentenkre which is also part of Ekrapim North. Omo nchia ne say awofo na jiso yedo yema. Misre woma yen kyerɛ mofra no ɔdɔ yɛte omo yɛnte omo wɔ dom abofra free school ba bisa no what really went on in the school then our teacher kan mofra no they have a lot of secrets to tell us. Can you imagine say there was a school and I said there is a school bi ɛwɔ ha na teacher ni bi ne dwumadi a ne sɛ ɔfrɛ abofra no fi wano a no amount 10 cities. Oh. Ebi wa 5 cities. Ewe kropon ha. It took school being so abofra bako say na penimu bi oni no wo fie no. Oni no ye gay. It took the headmaster to know this through oda or the domofra no. Iti ose owa na abofra ba ko bae no se masa mpese me ka se bi show se di asem no se o asumasi se ni se e no ne me ye every day. Then the headmaster took over and the child is now safe. Inti mesre awofo say yema ye ninku ye ma ne ho ye ne omu ni nkomo na yin bi se omu what happens when they go to school omu okrom ade na si na yembo omu ho ban. And no chinu so Mr. Man for say we are in to serve them Who problem bia bomodiana bra assembly ho. Your client unit. Ewo ho who problem bia na ba ombenya ho time. No much rich ho. Fe ebi mo so home so na ye tua ye building permit. Na ye hu ye we na hwema mesre. What submit to permit na ma ya. Wo kwan se oba assembly ho. Na obebisa. Ebia na issues bi wo ho. Ebia na ye defer. Ebia na ya reject it. Ebi kura ampo a na ye wo advice bi a ye pese ye de ma wo. Ena fe omo ye container edcc inner rules ni mu no. Ye pa mo cho. There are so many places issues AC now for fire service they are unable to enter into the community because obehwe no be the kiosk ababe si kwan ni finfin obehwe no be a stairs no atwe abakwan nim obehwe no be a toilet bi no esa ye say inner rules no e macro no mo ye fe nti yes ye pa mo cho obi a opese o ye development bi a be hu assembly no na ye ma o ye layout anase ye nhwe se be bia oba be ye o project no e be boa men ka say bia asase ne media into the me pen am no baby ti said that she say we have a layout into say o ko si dan no amba assembly ho amehwe na o si dan na obehwe no say layout na ye yi rows so many places or bosma say ya layout or latte ya layout or sabine kente cream panto ase no need those place bebe wo ha baby are in developing here no you know say a possible developing area no ya layout wo ha ye market ye school ye kwan ye bus stop station no na that station be bu no it say one be hu yen now sisi dan no rough ye be bu no and almost almost talk kwamoso nsase no ye state land kwamoso nsase ye nton nti so bia ton bia ma wakoju usika because state land the whole kwamoso
kro na da ho no
kro ni nyina state land obi ani wo ho kwan se otumi ton kwamoso land o ton aban kra betumi achi watum obi ani ho kwan so not even the chief executive it's a state land until send an abeka so and as a president who will come or who will be there or whatever abeka so have given back the land to the individual families no nobody has the right to sell kwamoso lands
not even kwamoso chief
no nobody in the wa talk about so land piano so who say you are in danger either that she be as a bind the man cry na say be expansion of the town obesen atobiem yeah because we don't sell it a complete state land
okay
into Mr. Man for the assembly is there to help everybody into what issue be fabra and I said now they can say I am so register aware our assembly ho it is say ohwe na bia ono yire mo pese mo register mo customary marriage oba ye be register ma say ordinance nso a omo say mo pe court aware no oba ye be ye bia ma said omo ye KMA AMA no na da den nyina no ye be yama we have a department ho a ye betumi e de ama and I assembly ho also ewo ho say wo ye wedding ni wie
celebrate wo ho
so celebrate ya ye do ma sisi anu dem say the rate is 1 hour beyond say 100 cedis or say bibisa which is very very cheap
but apart from no obi wo dwumadie bia seminar bi no person obana mu ene activity bi conflict am de be man
no ho na ahimfo no kra ya on be traditional council
meetings no I am jomska
da bi on de mo free
mo ton sa so muska assembly ni ska
nti yanji on kakra
am jom kakra
okay
Nananum oh yeah nananum de ye no ma na eye bibia enti anapai wa kire se utuma bobe wo do adwuma no betimi aye kire de ma wo koso a ne bodwuma saa na aya ma na nye ntenti a na ase no kana mpiba na insia ne mbon komo hwe o de say kliniki se ne wa bo no bodin wo adwuma hodo a wo ye onyobi a ope bedwam kasa na ne oye no ka se de hwa no debi so manfo no se adwuma na de se ne nsa no obo ne pia yes na biatimi aye kama enti sa project e de se ni so no emienu me kan se sanitation sem no se Okoman tankers ene assembly be bom ni amekwa be fa so ebetimi amana effective na ya sustaining in so na ya hwe sa national science and math quiz how we can represent especially with two model schools, which is Okwapiman and McGee's. I think it's something we need to sit down and then feather it. Now, intimate and you come on pay. You better ask very much. And you better not pay near Mama and Wako. Come and chop my money.
Me sure some more.
There we are.
Moma Yambosi, Jamiti.
Better is for your man.
Singing band. But I say, anyway. Dina Hamilton was a man.
Premium Kamama, Honorable Mamma. Thank
you.
And I pay a tip for your standard version, just about 17 more minutes to hit 12. And then the Afakwa time in a Abuana and a woman soon. Kruraba na waba bendi jumeti say mze niebe na ye no. Enti ye beda na se ojebre na obaye. Onone Abakrach Penny oda Ekwapim of Municipal Assembly ano anapay yeda na se wajebre abechechi ne mama train. Na kwame ebetena se na kakra obetime no mejinidi na ono so nka ngum. Sanse ni nyina putogum ni hwegum. Ni nyina ne kwasenkro kwame
aja say na honorable ne brother ba ko e mental suffer yeah so yeah I see first come meeting a call Methodist in Eastern region na kwame America the corner latte na ne brother fantastic omuni made ye kase nkrofo yi ni made a omuni made papa no bi sanse me come Methodist na mejiso me de Mebo for 18th December I will be passing. Inti
Matun Safren.
I this Nana do kwa asoro will be passing. Inti the invitation be breno.
Or no see a Methodist ni.
This is your Methodist.
I see. And a better say. Sarah say Kobe Sarah's morning best host show in the mountains. Keep the good work up. Honorable, still blessed for your Lord will guide you achieve the success of Okwapiman. Thank you very much for this very compliment. Thank you. And yes, sorry, see na maybe try for to be mun me.
Oh, inchi Okwapiman na. Inchi Okwapiman na say na honorable kan yenhwe na huni ni no. So honorable Kasa no kan Assembly John Wesley kan say this one is not a crime. Yeah, cleanliness is next to godliness. I say this one is not a crime. Yeah, cleanness is next to godliness. Enti Ghana say na yakwa sore bomb pa nsa na man nyina no. Yenhwe na ni yehuni. Na de nyina betumi akonka. Enti o cha betas na etumi ato aso.
Arapai me de Kofi Ansong Baffuor asda kese koma pa kwese age Koreagiman na Edmond Williams Armentin e so mimu na me de djuma de ebreo. Ebi koma listo wo Kwame Hone na Akosafo Mafo na DJ Zigibi DJ Donzi. Arapai me de Kofi Ansong Baffuor. Yakopon boa china ye be se hia ofia. Yes sorry see na Kwame Perry na obeprapra kwamu adwuma
Station Radio Man Kenya Okoman Radio 97.1 highly spiritual
Esiane kajanya seda a refrain woni pa ho enso da me pa ya ne se
Up your mind down Okoman Radio it's your baby.
They look you like I never see. Charlie guys, it's your girl Ayona Renee. You're listening to Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayona Renee. You're listening to Okoman Radio 97.1.
Midindi Gilbert Kwesi Awadakwe Okoman Radio 97.1 Moya dema yente Babadamasi
Ayame Adelaide Obuo me wo Parliament Sports me Okoman Radio din hwanim me wireless de bia no po ahwio anojo phone e de Okoman nti misire mo amuti Okoman nyina se obi e ti ho na ho de nsempa medamase
Mene wo just about a year 12 minutes pepe not my sorry kasa video so. And then exactly the 7th day in the month of November 2022. Your friend and Nana Kwame Imperi. Wait to be friend with the finest a meme in our catch you in me. Now just about 12 minutes here came in 1 year be brave. I no pay my bisa say weekend no echo saying echo ye the end ye me mawamo anko ye nso assembly Nigeria say week for our room Bruba Sakubasa Yadom Yankopon the Berman and Sasso. I wish I send a dam and all your no work as a video, so baby I will be no sema. Father Radiasi say ye brave moon name, no go so tea say. Not the door in the bit me I can say it.